like this? Why? Take it. Ah! Come here.
This guy will punish you. Pipiro, who can find this? What did I even marry? Eh? Who does that? Pipiro, God will punish you. I tell your generation. God will punish you. Okay, me. That's the guy. I hear you. Okay, me. Hey, Pipiro, what on earth did I even end up with a man like you? Bad. You cannot buy bad. Ordinary bad, Pipiro. My men are in their husband's house. We get to live with me inside my father's house. Pipiro, God will punish you. Ojiamu, I hear you. Ojiamu, he cheated there, go. He cheated. Oh, that one, he cannot do anything. Let me go feed you. Let me go close you. And inside the room, you're sitting there vomiting, man. And then shame of yourself. You're shaking. Baby girl. Leave my house.
Hey, this thought is becoming too much now. Baby, why do you want to throw me out now that... I thought we agreed for better, for worse. You want to push me out now that our worst just started.
It's your worst. It's that worst that will kill you and send it to your grave. That is where you deserve to be. It's that place you deserve to be, Pipira! You're a shameless idiot. You're a he-goat. Hey, that juju you used to me for how many years? Others marry their owner. They are in their house with their husband. You came to live into my house. Eh?
Hey, baby, now. You're hurting my feelings for you. Hey. You see all these things I did. When after our marriage, I followed you here.
How did I marry? How did I marry? Mama, thank you. So you came to eat, Mama, thank you, in my father's house.
Before your mother died, she blessed us. So I take over and go.
Don't worry. Ogogo wine is waiting for you. Hold on. I'm coming. You don't want to leave, right? Baby, hold on. Please, baby girl, hold on. Relax. Please. Hold on, I'm coming. It's God that will punish you. Baby, God will punish you. Baby. You're a disgrace. You're a disgrace to man. I'm sure not having chicken. Half. Also do okay. God will punish you. Hold on, I'm coming. Baby, don't worry. You see what you're doing. Come back! Poverty man! Oh my God! Oh God! Useless man! You're a parasite! You're rich! Oh, idiot!
It's okay. Jamaica, please arrange those things, so, arrange those things. No. Did you hear what I said? I just arrange those things. I don't know why
I'm looking for one Mazi Ojofo. Yeah, Mazi Ojofo, something like that.
Mazi Ojofo?
Yes.
Mazi Ojofo. My sister, I don't really know that Mazi Ojofo. I will not lie to you. I don't really know that. Hey, meet this man. This man will tell you everything in this village. He knows everybody. He's the trafficker of this village. This man, meet him. He will tell you. Meet the fellow. Any problem? No, hello.
Sorry. How are you? Sorry, excuse me. Please, I'm looking for one Mazi Ojofo. Mazi
Ojofo, the medical doctor.
Yes, exactly. The medical doctor, yeah.
Their house, so it's like they're having wedding in their house. If I'm hearing, okay, the road is not straight. Sorry, what is wrong with him now? Why is he crying? Where's your wife?
The mother left her for me.
Oh my God! Sorry. Baby. Oh yo. Oh nye mere nwa n'ebe akwa. Egbe mere nwa n'ebe akwa. Wait to ziza, wait to say. Sorry. Bring water. Is there water? Let me bring water. Sorry. Woo. This one is too big. This is too big. Don't worry. At least he has Yeah, stop crying. Mama, Bobo, Bobo, Bobo. Ndo. Oh, yeah,
Say daddy
carry him.
bye-bye.
Carry him.
Say daddy bye-bye.
Please call the mother on phone. Let her come back
yeah.
quick.
Say daddy
Sorry,
bye-bye.
here? Daddy, yo, daddy, yo.
Say daddy bye-bye.
I would have followed you to that place, but my bag, I can't. Sorry. Let me take you there. Maybe I will leave my bag here after I come back.
No. Don't worry. You can put your bag in the boot.
Oh, really?
Yes, I will drop you off later.
Okay.
Fine. You're a nice woman. Very patient and humble. People like you are rare to find these days. Yes.
There is actually nothing special about me, you know. I'm just me. Unlike you that have all the qualities that defiles even a man with pride.
You are the one saying all this. Because the last time I checked, a woman said I am useless. Yeah.
Really? Then the person must be a fool. No woman in her right senses will look at a responsible man like you and talk down on him.
You are the one saying this, so, because everybody is not the same anyway. In a way, yeah.
You are actually a nice person. You're a responsible person, and I believe you will make a good nanny, you know.
Nanny?
Yeah, nanny.
Are you looking for one?
Well, yeah, I'm looking for one. I've been searching the whole town looking for a responsible person, and I must confess you're actually a responsible person. With what you dig down there, you're extremely responsible, and I believe you can take care of my baby girl, you know.
Why not? If you want me, who am I to say no? I can do it perfectly. There's nothing I cannot do just to make money, except stealing and killing.
No, you're not going to steal, you're not going to kill, and I will pay you handsomely. Okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I will never forget this day.
I know.
God just sent you to my path. Thank you.
You're welcome anytime.
Be careful.
It's fine. So, where do I drop you?
Zion family. Hey! So now for Zion I enter so. So I don't reach Zion. No wonder I did for doing they tell me say Zion is your portion. Zion is your home. Hey! Achugidonya aka ya dị ọcha. Achikpo ya n'ụwa ọma. When you pursue and pursue and pursue somebody who is empty hand, you go pursue and enter for paradise. No wonder somebody call me Joseph of our time. This is it. If Kambiri did not chase me out of her house, would I have been here? So now for Zion family. Hey! Zion, we fly. Zion, we move. Zion, we occupy. Zion, we fly.
As you take fly come.
Yes.
I say you go fly.
Zion obodoma, Zion. Kwerenu mi nke mbụ, Zion. Ngwa kwekwasa ya ugboro abụọ, Zion, Zion. Ngwa nyenu mi ugboro atọ, Zion, 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 Zion. Obodoma, Zion, obodoma, Zion. I am so glad. God has brought me to Zion. And those in Zion will see God. Oh, take me inside, please.
I'll talk am. No wonder there's so many mad people in this country.
Eh?
Even dog, fowl, everything they mad. Now I don't see one.
I don't understand.
From head, reach ground. Now mad person now they see. Come, who they find?
I define your papa. I define your great grandfather. And he get where go take talk to me now, you know go like me. Which kind of nonsense compliments be that one? Are you the owner of the house? I am employed to work here. I am chosen by God. I am a chosen. Who are you?
Hi.
Mad people on the street.
You as
Mind yourself. Oh.
You are a choosing. Use eye. They look people house.
Before
they investigate the house.
Before
common window from house you no go fit buy.
Before
so that they didn't put hand for your back. Like,
now waiting you dream of go come to you. What you admire is what you get. And as I admire it, I will work hard and make sure I get it. I am not as lazy as you are. That is just here to open and close. Mehe meshe, one name onye ngula batago, mehe ya meshe mehe ohinongano. So please take me inside, let me go and possess my possession.
I don't even know what I will call you. Either I will call you baby man or Nashi. I don't even know. See as he dress.
Call me Papa baby.
Come, they go here. I don't want.
Call me Papa
I don't
baby.
want what they come out from this place.
I know you are one of the Ndobiapo. As I talk, say you be one of my enemy, and you must speak konkom this year. So you, as my enemy, he got to konkom. He got to when you know me, he got to konkom. Only you know me, got to bam bam. Hey, only you know me, got
now you go to follow the bam bam. So now this house.
One culture got to bam bam. Your work here is to open and close the gate, and not to interrogate me. You want to carry water now, but what can get out of the door?
Who tells you the gate man?
What who you be?
Because of I open this gate now.
So as you open gate, what are you? What did you become? You are a gate man. Anybody that opens gate is a gate man. Who can take me inside?
Take you.
Carry my bag.
Carry me.
Come on, carry my bag. Yeah. I got turn red though. See,
you know they enter. Come on. You know they enter.
Come on. Where is your mother? What's that? Come on, grab me my bag. It's not called. Wait. That is talking about kill you. You like this? They use me.
Now me.
I
will check it out.
What is it? What is going on? What is happening? Eh? What is going on?
He never wanted me to come inside. Can you imagine?
Eh? Okay, what's happening?
Auntie.
You are honored, my dear.
Now this man, oh. You know this man?
Yes, this is Pipiro. Eh? This is Pipiro, our new nanny.
Now I can't dress like a mad person.
Come on, go and get my bag. Now, Chaka here. Go get my bag.
I know they bring any bag. I don't go bring that bag.
Obere, go and get the bag.
No, auntie, I know they go bring that bag.
Obere, please go and get his bag for him, please.
You don't get luck. You don't just get luck.
Go get my bag. You talk too much. I hate men that talk too much.
Should I are you for this house?
Pipiro, welcome to our house.
Pleasure is mine.
I'm so sorry for the whole drama and embarrassment, okay?
I love it. It's part of the work. I need to exercise my ability of being violent when it occurs.
No, there's no need for that.
That's my ticket to this house. Am I welcome?
Yeah, you're highly welcome. Oh. Yeah, let's go.
Oh my goodness. Oh. I occupy my paradise and I move into Zion with slow motion. Ooh, ooh la la. Ha la la la. Ha la la, ha la la. I have to enter the paradise slowly because I'm a Zionite. Occupying my occupation. Oh my. Whoa.
Yeah, I know, right? Welcome to my
Jeez.
humble home.
I am really, really impressed. Although, from the look of the house, from outside, I know the inside must be beautiful.
I know, right?
This is paradise on earth.
Thank you. Welcome once again.
Thank you. Is this send down the rain?
Well, whatever you wish to call it, that's fine.
I love here already.
Thank you. Well, this is actually going to be our home because you're here to stay with us and carry out your duties as a nanny.
I'm impressed.
I know. Welcome once again.
Thank you.
By the way, what's with your dressing? It's actually weird.
I know you were going to ask me about this, my look. Anyway, I am one person that loves being creative in everything I do. Yes, if I want to dance, I don't dance what other people have danced. I must make sure I add a little about it so that I will have something to be talked about. Oh yes. Then if I want to walk, you see my step as I was walking in majestically, you know? That's being creative. So I dress like this to give the baby I am here to take care of a mother figure look.
Well, that's actually so nice. And
oh yeah, it
you're
is.
very creative.
It is. You need to see me while I was coming. Everybody was looking at me. Even the KK that brought me, everybody was looking at me. People were laughing. I have to goggle about this to see how it looks. And then I'm good.
Well, it actually looks nice.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh my goodness.
You're such a funny guy.
I am. You can't be taking care of children and then, you know, you need to spice it up like baby, 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 Jesus loves you.
I believe our baby will actually love you. You're going to do a nice job.
I know.
Yeah. Okay.
Where is the baby I am here for? I can't wait to carry the baby in my hands and sing, oh, baby, baby.
I love that word, baby. Okay, let me call her. Baby! Baby!
I mean, you can take me to the room.
It's fine. She'll be here.
Oh my God.
Here is the baby. Yeah. This is the baby you're here to take care of.
The baby?
Yes, the baby.
Hey, Mr. Man. My name is Baby, the baby of the house. I'm the only child of my mother. That's why they call me Baby. If you want to work with me, if you want peace to reign in this house, you abide by my rules. Yes. 1, I hate dirtiness with passion. I hate gossip. Cho, cho, cho. I hate it. I hate laziness. I don't know why you are dressed like this. But whatever is your reason for it, that is your own cup of tea. I don't have problem. I don't look for trouble. But if you bring it, I welcome it and give you back as boss. So if you want peace in this house, abide by my rules. But if you choose to deviate from any of it, Mr. Man, be ready for war. Am I understood? Are you sure? Good. I give you 5 minutes. Meet me in my room.
What is this?
The baby.
The baby.
Yes. The baby you're here to take care of.
Excuse me. You mean the baby you told me about is not baby as in a little baby? It's just a baby by name or as a name?
She's actually a baby, just that the development, everything, she had a rapid growth. Let me say.
Even this one too is a rapid growth.
Yeah, you can say that.
Wait a minute. Am I dreaming or something? What happened to her?
Pipiro, you like her. She's actually a peaceful person. You enjoy taking care of her. You enjoy being her nanny. Do you understand? Just don't mind all those things you're saying. She's a baby. Please, just treat her like a baby, okay? Please.
I would like her.
Yeah, you will.
I should take care of her like a baby.
Because she's actually a baby. Yes.
Hey. No wonder. No wonder.
Sorry. No wonder what?
Never mind. Never mind.
Okay. That will be all for now.
For now. Show me to her room, please.
Okay. This way.
Which kind baby be this? Oh, I be na mama. Anything you do, she no like 'em. Oh, you tell me what you want. If you give her this, she go say na that. I be you want make person buy, you go one go south. She go say na not. Madam, make you calm down, no. Just like a mother figure. I be your mama, oh, mama, oh, mama. Just like a mother figure. I will take care of you.
Hey, get me water to drink. Where are you going to?
I want to ease myself. I want to go to the toilet.
Get me water from the fridge.
I should get you what?
Water!
Water. Are you not the one who just came down from upstairs now? What stops you from entering the kitchen and take water and drink? Must I bring water to you before I answer a good nanny? Water. Ha!
You want me to remind you your job in this house? I am the baby of the house. You are here to take care of me as a baby of the house. Now, go to the fridge and get me water.
I am here to take care of you as the baby of the house. I am not here to make the baby of the house look stupid and look lazy. For crying out loud, your name is just a baby, not that you are a baby like Mwa. Are you still sucking breast? Can't you take water for yourself and drink? Must I serve you water, serve you food, bathe you, clothe you, do all of this for you? Who does that?
Mr. Man, it's your job. You are paid for it.
But
Hey! Hold on. You've not even started and you've started giving me issues. It's like you don't want peace in this house. I told you. If you don't give me peace in this house, then I will give you pieces. Hey, get out and get me water to drink. Look at him. Look at him. Nonsense. I told you I hate laziness. Ordinary water to drink. You are frying your face, that your ugly face. I said it. Ordinary water. You cannot. I told you I hate laziness. You cannot do anything in this house.
Take.
Open the water, pour it and give it to me.
Huh? What?
I said open the water, turn it and give it to me.
Are you a baby? So are you Tata?
Don't you know I'm the baby of this house?
Oh really? Okay.
It's like you have started deviating from my rules. What do you want to do?
Hold on.
What are you trying to do?
Okay, come close here. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open. I'll force you. Sebi, you say you are a baby. I should take care of you like a baby. So this is how we take care of baby in my school, and that is how we were taught to take care of baby. So open your mouth. Come on, drink.
You are very wicked. Lady Angela! Told you.
You've not seen anything yet. This is just the beginning. A child that says his mother will not sleep, will never sleep. You want water, they go give you water. They go feed you food. They go bath you. They go wash your undies. They go do everything for you. What kind of a child are you? Anybody that trained you, that raised you to this age, spoiled you, just check back at because I know they take nonsense. I must train you the way it should be, because the Bible said, train up a child the way he should grow, so that when the person grows, he will not depart from it. That's exactly why I'm here. If you say now all these things, yeah, baby, you wanna baby in sugar. Nonsense. And I'm going to put a much more than us.
Yeah. I said to the bag, right? I need that yellow one. How can you say yellow bag is childish? No, I need that color. I like that color. It's not childish. I have yellow knicker and yellow shoe and yellow stockings that I'll use and wear it. Alright, thank you. Okay. My God, I'm famished. Nanny! Nanny! Pipiro! I'm not hearing your name.
You did not call me. You were calling Nanny. And that's not my name.
What is the duty in this house?
Forget about my duty in this house. Forget about what I am here to do. I deserve respect from everybody in this house, including you. Am I not old enough to be your father? Must you order me around, command me around just because you are paying me salary? Just because I am working under your father's house or your mother's house? Now I become a toy. You know, appearing pipiro. Must you call me Nanny before I should know what my duty is?
What is even wrong with you? Huh?
Pipiro, I'm famished.
Congratulations.
Pipiro, I said I am hungry. Get me food.
If you are hungry, I am Pipiro. Hungry is not my name. You are hungry. I am Pipiro. So let me even ask you, can't you do something like a woman you are? I mean, is it because I am here to work or to play a role of a mother to you that has suddenly turned you to a lazy brat? Can't you do something? Can't you wake up in the morning, sweep your room, wash your clothes, do other things you can do as a woman? Is this what you are going to your husband's house to do? That is the reason sometimes when you see children of the rich, they will become so lazy and useless. Some of them will, because they will allow the housemaid to do everything for them. And when they get to their husband's house, they will keep finger like Amusu. They will not do anything. That is the reason we have so many broken homes today, because they will not allow their children to do home chores as is supposed. Huh? Since I came into this house, I'm not hearing pepe rororo, pepe rororo, pepe roget man, pepe empia, baby a pepe. Oh, come on.
It's like you want to lose your job, right?
Who cares?
Now go inside and get my food. Get out! Get my food.
Which kind baby be this? Oh, I be na mama. Anything you do, she no like
Nonsense, smelling thing. Idiot, senseless man. You are the most foolish man I've known in this world. And I will show you. I've not started dealing with you. I will deal with you. In fact, I will show you the color that you never experienced in your life. Nonsense human being.
Which kind of thing be that one? What did I do, Seth? I mean, they make suffering. They create suffering for. Eh? I never them suffering. If not for poverty, what you go come bring me come this kind of place? Or bring one small infant. She go use me. They do me like a toy. When I happen pipi can't do this one. Pipi can't go wash my bra. Pipi can't scrub my back. Pipi can't raise my bum up. Pipi my breast therefore can't lift her up. Pipi go inside. That my bra where they go wash her. Forgetting I be a full-fledged man. Na vein. I'm a venous man. Upon I hear them now, how can I go the rise? They go up, vein go up, go down, go up. One day vein go rise up here. They go say, people, you don't commit. Which kind of thing be that one? What in self? How much do they pay me? If I decided to play a role of a mother figure to you, what your mother supposed to do, that is what I'm doing to make sure you are well taken care of and well trained. You need to take him for granted. Am I your mate? I want drink akam. I want drink pap. Small start, they hungry me. I'm an alomobita. I'm the city water. That's all you got to demand. All you do is to sit down, take phone, press cartoon, watch bar game. Toil of the day. Come force me. You are hungry. You are this. Since I came into this house, you can no longer do anything. I'm not gonna ban. But you carry breath of the whole world. Buri enobi. I don't want to answer. Now one thing, no. If not for that, Madam Angela. If not for her. Don't worry. I know what to do.
What are you trying to do? I'm asking you, what are you trying to do?
Baby, baby, baby.
Do we have a newborn baby in this house?
Baby, you are hungry. Come on, eat.
I don't understand.
Come on, eat us me. I don't understand. Understand? Come here. Come here.
What are you doing? You are hurting me. I don't.
If you try it, come on, open your mouth. Eat. You are hungry, right? If that thing touch me, if that thing touch me, go. Aye! Look at this.
I don't need it.
Eat.
What's going on now?
She have to eat.
What's going on?
She is famished. Oh, come on, don't point.
You are mother to me.
What is this? What's going on?
I'm only doing my work. What is wrong in somebody doing what I am here to do? She is a baby and I need to feed her as a baby. She says she is hungry. I am famished. Is it not someone being hungry? And I'm doing this.
Baby Ro, does she look like a baby to you?
Ah.
Are you not seeing the whole? Does this person look like a baby to you?
Then she should stop acting like one.
Auntie Angela, have you seen your son? This man wants to kill me. This idiot slave of Nanny. Look at the way he just embarrassing me. I told him I'm hungry to get me food. This is the thing he gave me. Milk for baby. Am I a baby? This wicked man.
You should respect me as a man. You call me a man and you are disrespecting me all the time. What do you expect?
I should love you. Are you mad? I'll show you. I'll show you.
Baby, baby, it's okay.
You say so, I'll show you. I'll deal with you. You see?
You see the dog you brought me to take care of? What they get out of home here? What is
Baby,
wrong?
what is wrong with you? What is all this? Does she look like a baby to you? What is happening?
I don't know what I've done wrong, go. I don't know what I've done wrong, go. You employed me here to do my work. Allow me to do it. What is wrong with this? Is this not milk? This is milk, cow.
Baby, will you feed yourself with this thing?
What is wrong
Will
with
you feed yourself with this thing? Are you not seeing the whole futures in her? Are you supposed to feed her with this?
Then she should wake up and act as an adult. If I'm seeing futures she should act like an adult and stop messing up around. Must she play with me, use me like a toy?
Because you were employed to serve her.
And so, if I am employed to serve her, should I turn to slave? She should applaud me and accord me with some respect. I am old enough to be her father.
Baby, stop this rubbish, you. Stop this rubbish. I don't know if it's enough for you. You've been committing nuisance in this house ever since you were employed. Baby, not this, baby, not that. Respect yourself, or you're not a child. Respect yourself.
The reverse became the case.
Baby!
Thank God you call me a baby. When a baby should be fed like a baby. What is there? Feeding bottle, all need as all feeding bottle now. When you go to a man's house now, they will carry something that looks like feeding bottle. I go drink from morning till night. You that one. Now I have given you feeding bottle to suck. Yeah, no problem. What is here? What is here? You carry milk here, you know the drinker. I want to add more to your milk. Don't worry, very soon, you must eat your own flesh since you don't want to be useful. I know here. Your mother, that is the reason when you go to Ogaranya people's house, sometimes. Many of them, they don't train their children the way you should. Train up a child the way he should grow. When he or she grows, he will never depart from it. That is what the Bible said. And that's exactly what I'm here to do. If you think I'm here to wash bra and panty, you get on board, I'm not kitchen, and I take a cha, it a john nega cha, I won't cha, Makamun. Oshite. Okay, man. What is here? Hey! Make a cake of Tapatagana chicken. Whatever home of Kramik or any more. You know, turn a tagamararia when I must leak and leak up. Hey, I got him over there. Go, empty this week. I catch back Maradia boy out.
Your problem now, one in a million. If you be school, person fi no graduate. Which kind baby be this oh? I be na mama, anything you do, she no like am.
Come here. I'm feeling hot. I want to shower. Just get this ready for me.
You are feeling hot, you want to shower. What stops you from going to your room and then pour water like you normally do? Must I get things ready for you before you take your bath? You want that?
Pipiro, what is your duty in this house? Your duty in this house is to make things easy for me. Now, get in the bathroom, get things ready, then come back and carry me as a baby. Let me shower. You are paid for it. So go. My friend, start going. I'm feeling hot. And why are you frying your face?
It's like a mother figure.
Can we just keep your face like a rejected monkey?
A mother figure.
Every time you frying your face.
Oh,
You don't know how you look like, oh. Cannot even put a smile on that your dirty face. As if it's not your duty. What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? This man is getting mad. Let me see. Hey.
Come out your clothes.
Excuse me.
Remove your clothes or something, excuse me. Excuse me, I ain't be removing of clothes. Why you remove your clothes? Let me carry you, bath you.
Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Hey, wait.
Come up, close your mouth.
Keep it on my waist. Keep it on, what are you trying to do?
Come on, sit down.
Jesus. Hey, Angela! You are touching my milk industry. Do I look like a baby to you?
Come on, shut up. Close your mouth. I'm a mother figure, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Hold on.
What are you trying to do?
Prepare up, walk it here.
Eh? Ow! Ow! You pressed my milk industry.
Come on, to your hand.
Oh my God.
Carry load everywhere.
I must tell my mom will hear this. My hand. Ah! This man is getting crazy. Pick it up.
Your problem now, one in a million. If you be school, person fi no graduate.
Here comes the beast I'm talking about. Well, baby, what is this still doing here? See, I think this is time for us to show him, to teach him lesson. You have a point.
Babe, don't worry. Leave it for me. I'm going to handle this. Hey! Slave! Hey! Hey, slave! Come here. Come.
Are you talking to me?
Hello? Is there another slave on white and black and blue bow tie? Are you not a slave? Is he not supposed to be a slave? Or a maid of honor? Yes.
Me?
You, slave.
Me?
Yes. How dare you!
The caterpillar warrior, whoever that gave it to you. Me and Maggi had jammed you and jammed whatever that brought you to this compound. Are you stupid? How dare you talk to me in that tone? You open your stupid mouth to call me slave. Your father will remain slave for giving birth to things like you. I no fear. Caterpillar warrior.
How dare you? How dare you touch my friend?
Are you okay? Are you stupid?
What's going on
who
here?
you?
Hey, what's going on here?
What did they walk you?
Lady Angela, you see what I'm talking about? This is how he used to embarrass me. Now he has transferred it to my friends.
And what did he do exactly this time around?
Auntie Angela, I just asked him to give me a bottle of water. I asked him, please give me a bottle, and he uses it and hits me.
What? Pipiro, is that true? I'm asking you, answer me, is that true? So just to get a bottle of water, you're busy disturbing the neighborhood.
Getting the water is not the problem. The manner in which she asked me to get the water is the problem here. How can this thing here open her mouth to call me slave? Who does that? I mean, who does that? Just try me again.
Pipiro! Enough of this nonsense. Enough of it. I will start deducting your salary because this your attitude is getting out of hand.
Go ahead and deduct my salary. Deduct. What you call a salary I wait there on a hand. When I go use and threaten me until I die. Thank God say when I not be God though. My salary when I go come out when I not be God though. But one this thing though. One them oh. Stop them from coming here because I must kill them one day. I'm asking you how. Tell them oh.
Why are you complaining? This is not your job. It's your job, so do it.
Pipiro!
Baby, hey, is that how he behaves? Wait though. All these things that you have been saying on phone, you have a master degree in lying. No, man. Dubai will be better. Dubai. Yes. Dubai! I'm loving it. That's right. Hey, come back here. What do you think you are doing?
How?
Pipiro or whatever they call you. I need this water in my hands now.
Oh, Chineke, there's nothing one will not see in this house. You asked for water, and I got you water. Now you want me to carry and put for your hand? What stops you from taking it there and drink? Why are you people always looking for trouble anywhere when I go?
Pipiro, just give me this water. Give me this water now. Stop wasting my time.
Okay. Take, carry. Since you want to take and do picking, since you want carry on, I want to say about tefe. You get be our wish or for here. Since you want carry on. You want use and do soup, use and do and let's see. Always looking for trouble.
Hey. Come. Before you go, get me a bottle of Coke. A sap.
What will not know?
Coke. A bottle of Coke.
A bottle of Coke?
Yeah.
Unto what? Unto what? Do you know all of you have evil mind?
What?
Oh yes. Your mind is as dirty as your look. You were here when she asked me to get water. Epilepsy sealed your mouth. You never asked for what you want. I went inside and get water. Now you want to ask me to go in again and bring you Coke. Okongo, I should go get you Coke. There is no Coke in this house. Oh yes. Every Coke in this house is finished. In fact, we have other hungry people who always visit here for begging. So before you people come for your own begging, they have come and beg, and I have served them all the Coke in this house. So please, there's no Coke.
Babe, Pipiro, there are many Coke in the fridge.
Baby, that is exactly what I'm saying. A lot of people came to the gate in the morning knocking. There are so many hungry people. I go no nobodo. They came here, and I have to go inside. The only thing I could lay my hands on is Coke. Even the Fanta there, that woman from our neighboring compound that used to serve Mami water, she came here and said Mami water is tasty. They need Fanta. to carry to the shrine. I carry all the Fanta, give her. Yeah, gagana sapere pola mami watanko. So I'm sure by now, ndị mmiri aṅụ na Fanta, more Coke, nothing there again. Even this water that I saved her, this is the city water that I saved her. It was the water I drank and remained. I have to fill it up from the tap in the kitchen.
What?
Oh yes.
Pipiro.
Pipiro.
I don't understand.
Tap water.
Kote kira.
Pipiro.
Baby ro.
I just demanded for a bottle of Coke, that's all. Must you insult me?
I did not insult you. Rather, you are the one insulting yourself. Because you would have said what you want earlier than turning me to Totorito. You will remove to get happy.
Baby. Alright, I understand. Pepilo, I understand, I do. I believe you don't have anything to do with your time, right? You just want to stay here and insult us as you like, right? No problem. No problem. I get it. Pepero, now go inside the kitchen. Prepare us a tasty white rice and stew. ASAP. Run along. Run. Hello, I'm talking to you. I say run along. Run.
Makwasi Jronjo, you are ugly. You are not just ugly. You vomit. That's what you look like. Just look at your mouth. You had test it. Ordinary ASAP, that if it is normal human being that did ASAP like this. ASAP and not they want sexy. You got to your own. You had to kebana go more. Come be like say Pipiro! Let me talk to her. Because if you don't tell these people what they look like, they will not stop making guy. Maybe you should like makeup. Stop wasting powder and makeup. The more you apply these things, the more your ugliness come up. You came here to command your grandfather. Don't you have respect? No, even if you don't have height, can't you see where I am to know that you are supposed to respect me? Am I your age mate? Muna go way biri. You know mem totorito go and come. We name tetenene bi obi anga Maria anga tofia popopo. Bi ande wash waga anya. No agmagi shiri am e shano nego. I go use you do pepper soup. I go cut my tanta boil and bring phone na. Una ngon mini agbago take na height. Mind how you talk to me, oh. You people should respect yourself in this house. That you see me here doesn't make me look like a slave. You may probably JD that bomb slave. Thunder fire that your mouth.
Did I do anything?
You did everything wrong. Your coming to this house is wrong. Whoever that brought you into this life is wrong. The place you came out from, a plaster. What nonsense?
Baby, just calm down. I will handle it myself. Pipiro, the last I checked, you are in charge of my service and you are paid for it. Now, get inside and prepare rice and stew for my friend.
ASAP.
Baby, I am in charge of whatever that concerns you and every other person in this house. And not for the beggars and hungry lions around the streets. I got it from house to house. You didn't want 1 yard, the aqua. 1 yard, the dear quarter and hop and down. I know I got it.
Where did you get this map from?
I came from Ifakala. I am from Ifakala and Ambitolu here. If you want to go and ask of my family, go there and ask. Nga Tony, Ongamshi.
Please tolerate. He's from your village.
He's not from my village, please. Babe.
Hold on, please.
The last time I checked, I thought this is your slave, who is supposed to run around. So why is he acting funny? Why?
I'm acting funny because I don't want to run around. I wouldn't pram.
Pipiro, that is your job.
Okay. I want to run around.
Pipiro, white rice and stew, Biko.
Finish.
Just because of God. Because I'm a Christian and a believer. Just because I'm a believer, that is the reason I am going to that kitchen to prepare whatever it is. But make sure if you are going this year, make sure you don't trek with this. No koi. You had better carry them on your hands while going. Because if anything dupo this compound, I will dupo you.
I should do what?
Yes, you heard me.
You heard me. I will quit your cashew. Make I know here come after. I see maybe they don't use coil shoe. Open all this ground. Mind you, Zeremo.
Pipiro, go and
Zeremo.
get the food. Ew! Baby, calm down. Baby.
You say white rice and what?
Okay, white rice and stew. White rice and stew. Ah, baby.
Only one.
Please go and get it. Jehovah. My sister. Baby, calm down. This is what I've been passing through. I told you. Baby needs serious prayer. He said deliverance. Ugly. Serious. That I am ugly. We are not talking about that one. Nene, we are not talking about that. Do you have Nyash? Hey, I don't understand. You want to insult me too? After this ape insulted me. You too, you want to insult me? Is it because of this thing in your front? Is it just because of this? Stop. Can you just don't allow me to change for you? Nene.
Ready.
Wow. Oh my God. Jesus! What is this?
What is what?
No meat. We are talking about meat. Have you seen this one? Pipiro, what is this now?
It is called what you ordered versus what you got.
Excuse you?
Oh yes.
I ordered white rice and stew with chicken. And you're giving us cassava leaf. Why? What is this?
Essence of chicken.
Pipiro, you are very wicked.
I know. Oh yes, I know I am very wicked. And that's the reason I serve this to wicked people too. So all of us belong to the same canopy. We are in the same group. We are in the same platform. In the Bible, God turned, or Jesus turned bread into fishes and turned fishes into wine. So today, this stone and cassava leaf will be turned into white rice and the other one will turn into meat. ASAP.
Pipiro, you are wicked. You are mean and heartless.
I know.
How could you serve us this? Ha! Baby, I'm sorry for you and your family. This your slave is poisonous. He's going to kill you and your family. Then what? Please take care of your slave or whatever.
Nonsense people. No, come and eat in somebody's house. Come and eat where you did not sow.
Have you seen what you have caused? For embarrassing me before my friends. I will get you arrested. Heartless thing. Chichi. Chichi.
No be only chichi, na chin-chin. You get me arrested. Hey, embarrassing me before my friends with your short hand will be like aka emwe. You want to embarrass your father or arrest your father? You would have come and eat continental dish now. Hungry people carrying bags around, going to people's house to make demands. Something you cannot even cook in your house. But when man carry you enter fast food, give them a without a fork. You go use your finger to do fake. Put this, you keep ordering somebody who you know that is old enough to be your father. You're ordering me around. Come and eat. Hey, prepare me. Bring a bottle of Coke. Come and take Coke. Coke is available. Mami water people don't return them. ASAP.
You see am, now wetin I dey talk with this. See how they mess this place up. Scatter, they no fit come arrange am. That pepero. I know, see am. It's only and I finish this Heineken. For this house we meet and day, he no even know how much they sell am. You know, some go dey drink am, go open the drink. Make no worry. If not be my auntie Angela, will keep me for this situation. It is a meet and for them for this house, they run around. Make you no worry. Hey, I play game, True. As I for day here, I no go miss. Calm down, chicken. Talk wetin I dey miss since. Yeah. Mayu. Hi. Hey, Mayu. Hi, Mayu don't cut my game. Hey, my 50 million. Wetin be this problem now? Wetin be this? You know, wetin Mayu they play? Oh, no. Wait. Hi. Jesus. Mayu. See, my village people don't follow me come city. Wetin dey happen now? Wetin dey happen? See, Mayu don't cut my game. Oh. Hi. Wetin be this one now? My village people don't follow me come city. Oh. Money 20,000. Hi. Why my village people follow me? They go. Hi. The only money I get. No. Chai. What's now?
Will you stop that nonsense? Stop that rubbish. Are you sick? Why are you disturbing the peace of everybody in this house? They cut your liver, they cut your umbilical cord. And I cut a religion dog. They cut your liver. Must you disturb us because you're trying to steal from people? What is your problem?
What did they do you? Why you go hit me that thing?
Why not go hit you? No, give me one reason why I shouldn't hit you. You are becoming so lazy and I don't like it. I hate men that are lazy. The time you will use and work, you're using it to look for people you are going to steal from. Don't you know what you are trying to do is stealing? They mention 50 million way now.
I don't get time for this way they do. If you look my face, you know that I dey verse.
Why you no go verse?
I dey verse something no good.
Why you no go verse? Don't you know as you dey now, your full life, everything about you is supposed to be verse? Don't you know you're supposed to wake up in the morning, verse, afternoon, verse, evening, verse, every day of your life is supposed to be verse? One, you have nothing to show for your life. You find finish, they use yellow way they go yellow, create albino. I mean create enwe monkey where they for bush. They take and paint you yellow without money. You will yellowness. Yellowness and what the hell not gonna mean? So it's better you start reasoning like human being. You're here because you want to steal. People you are stealing from, all of them don't wake up. They don't wake up, or change pattern. This one not they work.
If you know be one thing, if you know, I don't use punch like this, I will just they mama your face. They knock you blue and black like this. See, they provoke me. Oh, you they provoke me.
See,
at the verse.
See, person you go knock me blue and black. See, where don't you never knock you don't red. Oh. If I touch you, now get turn on to what you are wearing for body. See, let me tell you, if this salary where they pay you here is not enough, you can go and apply for overtime. At least you'll be making money. Small. Any money made in a rightful way, they give blood for body than illegal money. You know they last. If I were you, what I would do to myself now is to go and look for more job. At least is not good. Make rich today and die tomorrow. It will kill you. I be no ocha.
They provoke me. Oh. You they provoke me like this now. I go change that for you. You see this way we are like this now. I go scatter you. They provoke me.
No, scatter me. No, scatter.
You get love. Prepare up. How you go here now? Come spoil this. See. Oh, which kind of problem be this one? Now? Which kind thing be this one? You go carry your own wahala come out. You know now as I there for pity waiting no good now. I know that you and Mayu then send to now. Come from my village. When I come they attack me anywhere I go. For this house na me and you. You see this game where you tell Mayu made in court. Me and you we go see. No worry. But it's not the way.
open the door. Open the door!
Open the door. The door is open. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. Hold on.
Pipiro!
Hold on.
You are delaying my time!
Hold on!
Where are you going to?
Let me get something.
Shit.
I forgot.
What is this? What are you doing?
Do you expect me to carry you like that at the back of the want police to arrest me? You have to sit here so that I will lock you up.
What?
What?
Wait, Pipiro. Enough of the disrespect in this house.
How? How am I disrespecting you?
Am I a child?
I am being a mother figure. Any good mother out there will try to protect his or her child. What I'm doing is what your mother's supposed to do, and I'm doing it, you are complaining. Nebiko, enter here.
Angela! Oh my God! Pipiro! What? Pipiro! You are disrespecting me! I'll call my mom! I'm going to fire you! I'll fire you! I'll fire you, senseless man!
Senseless man, right?
Angela!
Don't stand up. Come. What are you doing? Enter here.
Am I a child?
You are a child.
Why
Enter
are you
there now.
disrespecting me?
Enter there now.
Pipiro, wait.
Enter.
Look at, it's not a designer. This is real.
Forget the load you are carrying.
What?
Yeah, I'm not interested about this. What I'm interested is in your life. I want you to be safe.
But enter. I'm not a child.
Enter.
I'm just showing you evidence that I'm not a child.
Enter.
Why are you doing this to me?
Come on, enter.
I'll fire you.
Come on, enter.
I'll fire you.
Enter here.
I'll fire you.
Enter here now.
Oh my God. Hey, my waist.
Come.
Ah! My waist.
Come back here. Come back here. I will deal with you.
I'll fight you.
Baby, I will deal with you.
Madam Angela! You are a ritualist.
Enter.
Kidnapper.
Enter
That's
that
what
place.
you are. Ah! Somebody should help me. Oh my God.
They call you. You must enter. You must enter.
People, I'm tired.
Better. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, please help me. You are doing this to me?
Yes.
You are doing this to me? Problem.
I care about you.
Is this
I care about you.
Is it? I'll fire you. Somebody should help me! Oh, you want to sell me? I know your plan. People, I know your plan.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
Man, you close me up. Bring down your
Hey, God. People, I'm dying now.
Ante. Enter that car. Enter that car.
You're a kidnapper.
I'll kill you.
Kidnapper.
Enter that car.
I'll sack you. I'll sack you.
Yes, you just react.
You want to sell me?
Ante.
You want to sell me? Oh my God. Ah! Someone shot me.
Pipiro, my husband. Pipiro. Hey, Jesus. Pepe,
Is this you?
Pepe? Who was this car? Me?
It's one of my cars.
One of your cars?
Yes.
Oh, Lord, thank you. Lord, I thank you. Pipiro, they don't have a car. Ha! I knew that you make it. Hey, Pipiro. My husband, my love. My love. My love, I'm here. Pipiro. Ha!
I thought I was not meant to answer that name.
Ah, my husband. My love. My love. Don't mind though, it was the hand of the devil. It was the handwork of the devil. I knew that it was Mama Nkechi, that Mama Nkechi that was living close to our house. I knew it. I knew it. Every time that woman is causing problem for us to have issues, we're doing juju for us to have issues. Maybe Ejiro Dumanyam. Ejiro Dumanya. That time I threw you out, I started looking for you everywhere. Ask anybody. Ask anybody who asks. I started looking for you. My husband, I'm here. It's me, your lover. It's your baby. Remember you were living with me in my father's house. But I knew that you would make me proud. I knew that you would make me proud. It's me. You know I loved you. That time, I used to buy you cap. I used to buy bossas. Everything. You remember, Pepiro? You remember how I used to play inside?
Kambili, please. I say, Manu Kwafu Hana Kwafu. Bokatiana around and I took a Tonya Kaya daughter. I took a woman. I wish all the things you are saying now will still be reverted, but I'm not sure it will be reverted. I'm not sure it's revertible. In fact, I don't want to speak the English that is not suitable.
Pepiro.
But as it stands now, I have moved on. My life is more better than when I was with you. Please, I wish I can do anything, but if there's no infalata. So please.
You cannot tell me that. Epiro, I love you. You are my love. When you were nothing, I accepted you. At least everybody deserves a second chance. And I know I deserve a second chance. Please.
Kambili, I wish all these things you're saying, I wish there's something I can do about it, but my hands are tied. I am better where I am now. I have peace of mind. I have my money. I have my cars. I have my house. I mean, I'm a better version of myself now. And if I may ask, what about the father?
You know, he left me. He already has 6 children.
And you don't know?
I was not aware of it.
How?
Please, my love. Please, my love. Please help me back. I know I don't deserve your mercy, but my life is in shambles. Please, my love. Just give me a second chance. I can do anything. Just to right my wrong, please. I'm begging you, my love. Please. My crown. Please, Pipi. Pipi, it's me, Cambilio.
Please, I don't have much here. I want you to take this money, use it and buy something for your unborn child.
Right.
Please, I
don't need your money.
No, take it.
Just help
it's
me
from
back.
my heart.
Please.
Come on. Please
Pay
don't
one
say
more.
no.
Pay.
Take it.
Pay.
It's okay. Take it.
Pay.
Take it. Come on. Stand up. Please stand up. I don't like it when women kneel down for a man.
Please, I should stand up. I should stand up. You will take me back, right?
Yes, that's no problem.
Pay, please. What's in life? I'm sorry.
I loved her. I gave her my best.
My heart. But she pushed me out because I am poor. Now, I can never go back to my vomit. Never. I know everything I'm having now is borrowed, but then I must make sure I work hard to give my heart to a woman that deserves me. As for Kambili, she is a history. Yes. I can never go back to my vomit. Never. Never.
Your problem, money in a million.
Angela! Lady Angela! Where is my car?
What is it?
Where is my car?
What is it? Why are you shouting?
Where is my car?
Your car?
Yes.
Hey, your car is parked outside now.
I've always told you there's something about that mysterious nanny of yours. He has the audacity to take my car away without my permission. Mind you, if anything should happen to this car, you will be the one to pay for it.
Hey, baby, it doesn't go to you.
I don't care. Who knows if he has taken my car to car dealer and sold the car and run away with the money? That's thinking fools.
Calm down now. It has not gotten to this. Pipiro is not a thief. He cannot sell your car. And he will bring it. He cannot sell. I told you now. I told you that it has not gotten to that. He's back. Try and be calming down now, baby. I told you to relax and nothing will happen to your car. I thought there was no need for the whole shouting.
They are shawo. All of us, they are shawo. Say everybody in our shawo. Choi! I tell this guy, say, come a dairy. But you know they be. Me, we don't stay for this house. For years. He will just come yesterday. Because they do oga. Now me, and they do oga for. Make him come back. Now so in the class sack later straight. Now here are they. This guy get mine. Carry small madam moto. Come out. Hey. And I'm gonna say, come at the see I'm see sack later. As soon as they come back, they give her the sack letter straight for your hand. As soon they pack in load, come on for this side. Then me, over I'll come still in charge again. Since they claim Oga, me. They claim Oga from on top of my head. For this house, two of us, I don't come take. No worry. Now so in don't show. In don't show. As I the open gate, they collect sack letter. You see thief. Forget say fake life, no they pay. They do fake life. They do fake life. You don't see your life. Shebi you say na small madam say make you carry this car, make you go full am. Nah, you carry motor go push woman. You don't come dress. They dress pinjaman. They Mark Johnson. See your life. Now here your life don't end though. They talk to you, suppose they look me. You suppose they look me and they talk to you. Now, as they come back, now say they walk out, they come out back. Now we go open gate where you just come out. See your life. Wait till you won't talk. You don't get anything you won't talk. Now here, your life don't end. They live fake life. They jump up and down. They dress Mark Johnson. I know say borrow all these clothes where you wear. See your shoe, now boro. Jean, boro. This one, boro. See watch. I know say this watch. Now watch where they supposed give me. You don't go thief am. You don't see them. Life don't finish.
Hey. Sometimes, when you open your mouth, they talk. And they see you like teddy bear. teddy bear and Dutch and dam, all those things where they see for Mami water shrine, where they pour, take a crystal, white, tie them, they pour blood on top. Sometimes they go trigger them, they go to do ta 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 ta. And what they see you to be? Makachineke. Just look at you, a full grown, a full-fledged. This yellow self where God take create you. Therefore, they just wasted the yellowness. Therefore, use and create one anaconda or look for one monkey more adaka enwe. Paint here hana white. They will be more beneficiary or profitable to us than painting you white. I wouldn't pranya busu ega gananya. Gine meja cho anyo take or chaminiki. Where no they see in the afternoon. Are you sure you are seeing me? So where you reach me and you, Seth? All this mouth where you open now, you abadanda maternity gown, where woman go where you wear them, they forget open and close. Where you reach me and you? No, where you reach me and you, where you go open mouth, they talk to me, say I borrow this, borrow that. Me, you don't know me, oh. You don't know me. The get as you go talk, reach where I did, makachine kekere mona now, you go collect. What is waiting they work you? No, waiting they work your brain.
Me go collect. Hi. How them go even take compare me as in go to our life now? You ordinary nanny where you be. Now this and they do borrow as in you come this and they keep on like this on top borrow pose. All this is we are na borrow. They keep on like this for me. Me. Hi.
Me pepero. Pepe nwa. Opekasi. Nwa na api. Ordinary nanny. He be like say, now because me and you come for the same compound they work. That is the reason you are looking down on me. If you go out there and see how people echo on my name, naga for tena ko pepe ro pepe na ku nelu na na ku. Before even I was giving certificate of this work I'm doing, go and Google my name. Go to Google. Ask pedophile. Go and ask them about me. They will tell you what I represent. I was certified. I was modified. I was synchronized. I was adequalized. I was pipiralized before I start this work. So don't see me as ordinary nanny. Nanny where be say Igbo people don't full form. They beg me come for you. Go to US and ask Chile Maurice how many times he has sent me book to come for US and start working for nanny discharge atomic bomb. I know. I can't. That I prefer working for my people. Give yanga makamon again on gagi rocha emejego take and what this.
No, this way they do go help you. Make I tell you something. Those people they call say this person. Those people if they say they know you, this is where they talk if you not talk them. But as you just come back, as you just the worker they go inside. That's why you go worker come out with a bag for head. You don't even carry anything. me over I go open gate. I go
kick it out. You see, the reason why say sometimes they talk and they laugh because I they see you as person where they for Zoom. You no get future. Jesus. No future at all. Your future ends here. Get man, you are one of the only road that I have now. And get ready for your konkom. I get sack bag, rice bag. We don't finish. I go give you. You go enter. You enter market. Hey, only road just look at me. Get on go rule lemon again. Let go do work here. Let go do work here. Na go to mwana. Ane tum piroro pimpiro kotopium. Ana pium. Keep your name with run. Okay, go and close the gate. For your information, please wash this car properly. I don't want you to wash as an assassin. I want you to read my grana be from. Just more conversation you don't read. I never touch you. If I be a gaka, idiot of no
Pepe Romi, make I wash this car.
Don't wash the car. Just no wash him. Make I know what in cause him. If I no kill you, call me bastard.
Me, Pepe Ro. Instead of I go wash this car, make I know what in cause him. This car where you just go pursue woman, where they drive and win. They carry woman. He say make I wash this car. I'm not gonna wash this car. Nothing gonna make me wash this car. I just they look you. You know what now they look you. Walker go inside, you go come out. Now me go push you. I go dey push you like this. Throw you outside gate.
Oh, you go pepper, red pepper. Wash this car, and if you finish, come and take this my shoe and clean it. Otherwise, you will get it hot in this house.
What did they worry this? What did they worry this man? What? No worry. I know what in cause him. Angela. If you know be Angela, my auntie. When no keep him promise, when say make I dey come this place. Now, say won't give me from visa. See me forget man. No worry. If you no even get time, they talk to me like this. Now you come carry car. Go pursue woman. Come tell me say make I wash am. If I go wash this car, make I know wetin cause am.
Look, I said I'm sorry now. I said I'm sorry.
Why do you have to touch my dog without my permission?
I said I am sorry.
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 You touch my car. What is that? Where's my car?
I said I'm sorry.
Give me the car key. Give me the car. How many times have I warned you not to touch my car without my permission? Can you afford the one? If you want to drive car, you go to the market and buy one for yourself. You stick with poverty. Have you been nice to me and now you want to touch my car without my permission?
Baby. Baby.
Can you afford the car? Can you? Look at you. Stop it. You always support him. The next time you touch my car without my permission, I will swallow you alive. Useless thinking fools. Look at your life. You don't know what you look like. So you went to this fake ordinary store to borrow palazzo, jeans, sweater and cap, even wristwatch and ring. I'm ashamed of you. Borrow it to go outside to impress those useless girls of yours. Look at you, a fool. Come back and wear me this week. Put it back. Put it on my head. Give it to me. Wicked man.
Pipiro, have you seen it? Can't you just avoid this girl? Avoid her, but you will not listen.
Are we not supposed to be one family? Are we not supposed to be one family? Will I go to the gods to borrow car? The place you work is the place you eat from.
It's the place you eat from, but the car is not yours. God still demands that if you want to take someone's thing, you take permission. You cannot just go in there, carry the car key, and you just drove out.
Taking permission from her makes me look stupid. It makes me look as if I'm begging something from my daughter.
It is her car. It's her car. If it's your daughter, you will still tell your daughter before you carry it.
The car she gets, she no be God.
Please, Pipiro, I don't want all these things now. Enough is enough. Every time you and baby. Pipiro this, Pipiro that. Please, it's enough now.
Which kind baby be this? Oh, I be na mama. Anything you do, she no like 'em. Oh, you tell me what you want. If you give her this, she go say na that. I be you want make person buy. You go one go south. She go say na not.
Obe, did you get the alert? The money I sent?
Yes.
Okay, please. I want you to go to the supermarket and get me those stuffs I sent to your phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
But until wetin be this now? Wetin be this? Look, this thing we talk. This thing now they send me now. You suppose send them pepero. Main go this thing. I no fit go am because my own sign na for this gate wey dey for here.
Ubere, I can't send him because he's busy inside. He has a lot he's doing. Just help me go and get these stuffs now.
Auntie, this is not our plan, no. No be this thing you tell me before I come here. No be wetin you tell me be this. No be wetin you promise me. You tell me say make I come this place, say you go do visa for me. You go carry me go UK, London for that matter. Now you dey carry me keep for gate. No be this thing you promise me. Oh, I no like this way they do me.
Obere, please, can you just calm down? I know this is not our agreement. I know manning the gate is not our agreement, but I just want you to exercise patience with me. I'm saving up money. It's not that easy. Getting a visa to UK is not that easy. We need a whole lot of money. We need a whole lot of saving. You cannot just go there empty-handed. Instead of you staying in the house doing nothing, I just wanted you to come here so you can receive salary and, have some money to take care of yourself.
Auntie, see, make I tell you, if this plan no go work, if e no go work, you tell me. Make I go find another plan wey go help my life.
Obere, it will work. Patient. Do you understand? Just exercise a little patience for me, okay? Please, just help me get those stuff.
No wahala. Until the thing where you saying, you know, say the money pass, the remaining change. So I feel just use them, like, you know.
It's fine, you can just keep the change.
My big auntie, you don't have to do anything for you.
I know.
I rush go, so I feel buy the thing fast, come back.
It's fine.
Bye, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Your problem now, 1 in a million. If you be school, person fi no graduate. Which kind baby be this oh? I be na mama, anything you do, she no like am. Oh you tell me what you want. If you give her this, she go say na that. I be you want make person buy, go one go south. She go say na not. Madam, make you calm down, no. Just like a mother figure. I be your mama, oh, mama, oh, mama. Just like a mother figure. I'll take care of you.
How are you? You're looking so beautiful.
Look at you.
Yes, mommy,
My
you look
baby.
so fine. Look at your skin.
What's she feeding you with? Oh my goodness.
I'm giving her food.
You know, I cannot do that anymore.
You cannot carry me, mommy.
I cannot, my love. Oh my God. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
I've missed you.
Good day, ma.
You're doing a great job.
Welcome. You look so beautiful.
Thank
Look at
you.
your skin color. The weather is so good on you.
Hold it. Hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. I know you.
Hope you got me a nice body
Trust
cream
me.
so I can glow like
Trust
you.
me. Trust me.
I miss you.
I miss you,
Let's go,
sis.
let's go, let's go.
I miss you.
Problem now, 1 in a million. If you be school, person fi no graduate.
Yes. Of course. Wow.
Take it easy.
Everywhere is looking gorgeous. The pins are so fine.
Yeah, you know, we actually try our best to keep the whole house.
No. You guys did a great job here. Wow.
My girl, welcome. Come on. You look beautiful.
What's that?
Wow. Baby, you didn't tell me you have a sister that looks like you. What a resemblance. It's just that her front is bigger than your own front. But that notwithstanding, both of you look alike. But you're beautiful. Ah, welcome. Where is your mother? I heard your mom is coming back. Where is she?
Mom, here it is. The most senseless, foolish man I've ever known. Just a flave.
Mom? How?
Oh, you don't know she's my mom? How would you know? Because you are fond of insulting people with little height. That is why you don't know. Bunch of trouble. This man.
Really?
Yeah.
Your mom?
No, my pap.
I was trying to...
What's the meaning of this? What just happened? Huh? What did you do? Is it how you welcome people?
Madam, I'm sorry. I never knew you are the mama.
Seriously?
I was expecting...
Oh my goodness. So what?
I'm sorry, ma.
That's what you're supposed to be doing. Apologizing.
Exactly. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm very, very sorry. I never know, say, I was thinking, no, one off from the family.
Really?
Yes.
One of. No. To think of it. Do you think we are sisters?
I am not like this, but it's just that your daughter is so rude and she talked to me rudely. Now your own, you don't travel abroad. I'm sure you have sense of humor. You know how to talk. Look at the way we are talking now. But if it is your daughter, she talks like parrot.
Enough. Don't you ever insult my daughter in my presence. I'm here now, okay? Take correction. Don't do that. I don't like it. I know how I suffer to train this girl here. You don't do that for me. Yes, it's my sweat. Yes. Nobody does that. Yes. But come to think of it, do you have problem with people with little height?
No, not at all. Me? Am I mad? Am I crazy? Why should I? Even when I came from the family of the people with little height. If you see my grandmother, una tall for her, una be giant. You know where to quick to compare my grandmother. If we are talking to my grandmother, we have to look down as if we are doing like say we they pray, like outside people they pray. And so we look down because we want to see our grandmother. Only one they look at you, even though you carry a big hair, to at least it brought your height up small. No,
it's okay. I just want to. Come on. What is he wearing? I mean, what are you wearing? What's that for? Is it?
My dressing. Never mind. As a happy head on a moto, banana moto. Leave what is written at the body of the moto. Moto.
Where's the moto?
The moto is the work I'm doing because when she employed me, when she was telling me about the job, she said I'm coming to take care of a baby. Yeah. So with the mindset of coming to take care of a baby, so I dress like this just so that I want to give the baby a mother figure, so that the baby will flow with me. In the absence of the mother, there is a mother. So that is the reason I am like this. But getting here, or gotten in here, or coming in here, in fact, or zooming in here, I saw a baby that is not a baby. You can ask her here.
Liar! You are full of lies. Mom, now that you are back, he is leaving this house.
Baby. Baby. Baby.
Oh, stop the pretense. Okay, that's okay. That's enough. I've had so much. Yeah, I need to rest. Mr. Man, please, I want to advise you. Be focused.
Yes, ma'am.
Do your job in this house. Yes. And that's what brought you to this house. Yes. So you do it diligently, okay? No insults. Be good and show good attitude.
Good. That's the role of a mother. Good. You're welcome.
Let me see you upstairs.
Yes, you're welcome.
Oh my God.
So now this ain't born you.
And so she's my mother.
No wonder. You can't do for grand. Sometimes I go to look for you inside room. I got my money on the bed. So now this ain't born you. Like mother, like daughter. Hey! See you like this. My neck don't they break since I entered this house. Now they look down to talk to you.
What?
Your mama don't come again. Her own is even better. She carry 2-story building for her. I'll get you to much more high level.
Are you talking to my mother like that?
How would you expect me to talk?
Do you know what you look like? Just look.
I beg go and sit down. You talk too much. Only this thing where you carry for here now be the only thing where they good for your body. Any other place now zero. Your mouth is zero, your brain is zero, everything is zero. Now to wear long wig, wear long past you. Try me for this house, I go use slap.
Shameless man.
Hey, my mother, come back. This will happen. You could have told me that if my mom come back. See her. They make mouth. I better go and see your mama will come back.
You are a pretender. Can you say this in her presence?
Why would I say that? I have respect for mothers.
You have respect like this?
Why you go inside?
You foolish.
Look
at you. You are not ashamed of yourself.
One day I will sit on you. I will use you to sit. Madam, onye no na kwa nwa mengwa ngwa budo fonye nwa onu na kwa mu onye no na kwa ngwa budo fonye nwa onu na kwa nwa onye no na kwa nwa mengwa budo fonye madam bingo idiot. Look at her. Something where you go
take turn. They carry and put for your front. Put, one day I go, piag, period, kaka. They go come out you from my hand. Idiots. Like mama, like daughter. Family in there, she won't get more to money. Ne hotel, one hotel.
Pipiro. 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 What is wrong with you? Hey, young man. What's wrong with you? What are you doing? Come on. Are you sleeping on duty? Like seriously in my own house? What's wrong with you?
Madam, I'm tired. I've been working since morning. Last night I couldn't sleep. Your daughter disturbed till this morning. And I woke up, I started washing, doing all kinds of things. I need to rest. I need to rest.
Are you being serious right now? Working all day? Just for my daughter? Or for me, you've not done anything? What's wrong with you? In fact, I can see you've been racing around these days. Yeah, that is what it is. I am not lazy because if I am, I will not achieve this. Come on, I will not tolerate that. Baby has been complaining that you're not doing your duty, you're not taking care of her very well. And I am back. You need to focus on both of us. I have a lot of things in there that need to be washed. What are you doing? And you're being lazy.
But madam, I'm sorry to cut you off. All of us in this house, everybody has one or two responsibilities to carry out. I mustn't do all the family chores just because I'm working under somebody. Baby here is not a child. She can equally engage herself in one or two. That's what she should learn from you as a mother, and she will take it to her husband's house. Lazing around, sleeping, pressing phone wouldn't do her any good. Rather, it will destroy her and it will affect her future. How is she going to raise her own children? Because I pray that someday she should get her own family and then start raising children. All these things is what we should put into consideration. If it's a chambon ball, a demon ball like this,
no, enough. Enough of all that. You not teach me or tell me what to do in my own house or how to handle the affairs of this house. I employed you, I'm paying you. Don't forget that. And if you think you cannot do this, you are not capable of doing it. Hey, use the gate.
He hasn't gotten to that, ma. See, I am only trying to be nice. I mean, we are all families now. Everybody in this family need to put hands together to make things work out. It mustn't be a job of one person. Okay, look at Obere at the gate. Obere there is a vibrant young man. You people just kept him there to be lazying around. Opening and closing gates is not enough to be receiving such big salary at the end of the month. You can bring him into the house. He can render some services to you, and can be servicing things in the house.
I don't understand. Servicing what? What kind of service are you talking about?
Well, you look at him, you know he's a handsome man. Even though... And
then? What kind of service are you talking about?
He can service TV or service car.
Mr. Man, listen to me. And listen very good. I got my eyes on you. Go up there and pick on some of my undies and put them in order. Nonsense.
Now, wow. Some women are not too do. Not too do. God will create this place, call them private. Everything that goes in here should be private and not public. These days, women are making their private side to be public thing. How can I wash your undies? And they complain, say your daughter is giving me much load, and madam don't come carry her own again. Up. As if the undies self na undies of an adult. Chilita panty umaze, ya de can nasa panty doll baby. Chiliti elia de can one hanky. Come and force me wash her. Nsa panty nem sanke nwa. From nsa panty na pia masim sawe free. When I pay me for this month, what can I do? Pay me for this month. Might decide if I go stay or I go. People not they forget there, they swallow spit.
All right. But I'll go for 30 million naira though, because the last time I bought it was in dollars, so I don't know the rates right now. So if it's 30 million, I'm in. Okay. Then get the documents ready. I will come over and sign them. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You said for me, Mom.
Yes, I did. Can you have a seat?
For what?
Sit down. Okay. Well, I've been meaning to discuss something very important with you.
Something like what?
Okay. Baby, it is obvious you are not a kid anymore. And going around with this baby mentality is something I think it is not healthy for your future.
I don't get it, Mom. My mental health is sound. The future you are talking about, this is me. This is baby. I'm not aging soon. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Who told you that? Huh? Baby, get married and give me grandchildren. Yes.
Wait, is this the future you are talking about? Will you marry me like this? You are talking as if you don't know why Dad left you.
Baby. Okay, good. I know why Dad left. Okay? But, look, you don't need to worry yourself about how men will come. They will. It's just for you to make up your mind. Yes, accept them. That's the fact. And trust me, you will have one.
Mom, I don't get it. How can I have a child when I'm still a child?
Ha! Baby, you need to stop being stupid right now. You are both 25. And you think you're still a kid? No, you are not, my darling. You are not. Oh, your nanny was right. I think you should start living your age and not your height. Okay? My love, you can do it. You can. You can have a man. You can give birth to kids. I have you. I did that. And I'm proud to do that. I'm proud to have you. So give me grandchildren. Please.
Mother, please. You think I don't want to get married? You think I don't want to be loved? How can I get one that will love me?
Okay, hold on. See what we'll do. We'll begin now to search.
Mother, wait. Do you have anything to talk about again? Because I'm doing something upstairs.
Really?
Yeah.
So this discussion is not enough.
Mother, please, rest.
Baby. All I know is I'm not giving up on you. You give me grandchildren. I did that. I give back to you. Come on, feet. Shit. Come on.
Who be that? Huh? What's up, bro? You're here for the girl, ba?
Bam. My name na Teddy Bobo.
You said?
Teddy Bobo.
You be woman, I be man.
I be man.
Like this.
Teddy Bobo.
Teddy Bobo. Madam, they wait for you since they go.
Teddy Bobo.
For the men bleeding? No. For get my house.
Oh, thank you.
Baby, don't marry finish today. See this one.
How are you?
Waiting they bring this one.
Oh, better my guy. My guy. Oh, bear. Hafa.
I don't understand. Who be your guy? I beg, I don't want your wahala. He says I did so. I don't want problem. Just they come out from here. Leave me.
Oh, better stop, Joe. You two they do like woman. And because they carry woman color give you can't they act like woman. So that because of that small quarrel we will get, you don't carry and pack for mind. While they tell you so, Benigwe and Kato or Assistant and Sanjo, Sacho Bigi, the only thing that will make you keep going is when you sin with your brother or when you quarrel, you forgive. Me, I'm a Christian, a believer at that. So I don't get room for malice, quarrel, a debegidi 1 year. Only women, they keep malice. As we quarrel that day finish, the next minute I don't forget them. In fact, you are my brother till eternity.
Hey!
Yes.
You now they preach for me. Now me they preach for.
So
after all this thing they do me, you can't they preach for me.
Forget that.
I beg, I don't want your see, allow me. Just leave me.
If I leave you, wait till you go do. You go stay alone in this house without me. We need each other to work. All of us are working under the same roof. Oh yes. God says, when your brother is saying against you, forgive. Forgiveness is the only thing that can bring connection with you and God and make your ways crooked. English, so forget it. No verse. I see and a woman be that I been a chihuahua. Where waka come?
Nana, you won't tell me. Nana, if you don't talk this thing since, you won't hear the news. Now why you know me? I can't turn to your guy. Because if you won't hear news from me.
As I dey tell you wetin dey happen inside. Now so you go to tell me wetin dey happen, forget. Igwam kemere na gate, ngwagin kemere no na ya ba uruze gwam.
You see you, eh? Well, make I tell you something. You know, say na me, they stay for this gate. Anybody they come, and they do stop and ask. You understand where they go now? So anybody will just come, I go ask them how far. You go tell me wetin they go on.
I know.
You never hear. They say madam want to give away.
Give away.
Yes, now.
Oh, that rice and Fanta way pack inside.
Which one be rice and Fanta? You like food? The daughter.
Huh?
Baby. What I want to give away?
Wait. The one use baby do bazaar.
Yes, now.
Going. When you come agara. Hey, why am one adaka no name? Why am one adaka no name? Anyway, that's the only way she will marry you. So what is the option? The person will just carry
See, once anybody will win, they will just divide the
win or the person will agree.
The person will don't win as in to give away. Person will
win the heart of the
heart
girl.
of the yes. And what I mean, you will just carry the whole property, cut them into two.
They will divide the weight.
I swear.
Hey.
Now me for go, but you don't say as if don't be now. I dey forget.
Hey.
For don't.
If for
I forgo now.
Where you say it? For here, that place.
Yes.
Look that place.
Hey, as they be now.
If I go.
I mean.
Yeah.
They just divide everything. Give me one.
Your dream long go.
And I for happy.
So after here, you go carry pikin give gate man. Me we be nanny we dey inside where they baff and they clean as they clean and they clean more. We don't see everything. Where they just carry everything. Hide me like some guy home. When I don't look, I'm say if I carry baby go house now, You go be Papa, where's baby? They go call me a child abuse man. So that is it. I don't see the type who will come. Only this type of people feel win her heart. Because no full-fledged man. Well, big Obana. My work on a badger. All this men, if an ozobor, my bishop ozobor. Hagraka zombie. When I know take and have what I do, I like this. But they describe who enter. Ogo kanga kilogo. Let me go and greet our Ogo. Ogo with you and I be this. Obere. Hey, God is still strong. Obe.
Yes, I will ask you. They cook food.
We cook Ogo. Our in-law na him we cook for now. What?
Don't finish to make me they get problem. I don't ask you small question now. You don't tell me how they go. But you ask me now, I just tell you waiting they happen. You what they do now, you don't even know waiting they happen for house where you did. Hi.
Hello? Hello? Is anybody home? The special in-law is here. Hello?
Hello. Oh, you're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow.
Thank you, Mama.
Yeah, please, can you sit down?
Thank you. Ah, I bet with my bride. She supposed to be here, welcome me. Not be me supposed to call her.
Yes.
I beg. I hear say una dey do bansa. Madam, they say who cap fit, na him dey wear am. That cap na your daughter. And na me e fit. I beg, call her for me.
Oh,
Yes.
you're actually here for my daughter.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm your son-in-law.
And what's your name?
Dedi Bobo.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, she will soon join.
I beg. Do it fast.
Yes.
I beg, do it fast.
Hey, Madam Devo.
So please, as you can see, we have a visitor. Please go call my daughter for me.
Oh, you mean baby?
Yes.
Oh.
Before you know see person dey here. As you dey waka like person wey no dey see, you know see person say person dey here.
Oh, can no vex, please. You don't put your leg on the chair.
Why you go there?
No, you are a visitor. Please let your leg remain. Let me call her.
Which kind thing be this?
Yeah, but he's in order.
Now this kind thing one no dey like. Now this kind thing one no see, madam. Once I become your in-law, you go sack am. Once I become your in-law, you go sack am.
Teddy is okay. Please, can you sit?
I hate nonsense.
Don't worry.
Yeah, I hate nonsense.
I know. Yeah, please, can you sit down?
I no dey like am. I beg una call my wife.
Teddy, my daughter will soon join you, okay?
I beg, do am fast. Make I run that. You get places where I wan go check some bride.
Check some what?
Brides.
Your leg is still here. Please.
Okay, why this my life too dey important for you? Why you no go allow me make I rest? Why you no go mind your business? I no dey like this kind thing o. Call my bride. You know say you go call her since you dey there dey waste time.
She's coming.
When she come?
My baby. Yeah.
And who is this place?
Wetin be this now? Wetin be this? What? Na little bride be this, abi na wetin? See, go inside and call your sister for me.
Mom,
Yes, darling.
who is this thing?
Thing okwa? Me thing. E be like say una no get respect for this house. Na so una dey do. Oh yeah, come and go and call your big sister for me. Tell am say your husband dey here.
Mom, I am disappointed at you. How could you, Mom? How could you allow this condemned old farmer
Me?
to marry me as a husband? Oh my God. Hey, you! You better leave this house because you are not my spec.
Old farmer, I'm not your spec. Now you be my spec. No, look me well. I be your spec. Eh? I no go even for this life be your spec. You won't get the eh? You want a spec? Eh? Let me walk it.
Jesus.
Eh? You feel get spec, you not supposed to get spec. Anyone where they be, you connect her.
You are stupid.
You are mad.
Huh?
You are mad. Eh? Is that how you people do here?
Yeah, Pipiro, get this thing out of this house!
Eh? It be like say this family no get respect. You know who be my papa? Eh? You know who be my papa? It be like say you know well. I think say na one kind fine girl. Where sport no dey in body. One girl, one giant, wey tall pass me sef. Wey dey as I dey, wey dey fresh. Now una wan present to me. See wetin una dey give me. Wetin be this? Abi I go carry am go dey pet am for house. Which kind nonsense be this?
Hey, carry your begging waist out of this house!
I'm already leaving.
Leave!
Go already. Wey me I think say na one kind fine girl wey I go see.
Teddy, it's okay.
Stay waiting. Madam, you hold am there o. Make I go check other brides.
Baby, please. I'm sorry this happened. I'm angry with you. You just have to calm down, okay? And I just want you to be ready to receive as many visitors as possible. You know, at this point, it's left for you to make your choice. I am not the bride, okay? I am being neutral at this point, okay? So don't get pissed off, okay, my love? Please. I'm sorry, I need to make some meeting. And what is that?
My dear, this time don't come. Very soon, ba. Na parakuku go fly into this place. One. What you go here? Kuku, parakuku, kuku, parakuku, kuku. Chaka. There is nothing you will not see in this house, because he that's gathered the ant-infested firewood invited lizard. Mege bazaar. 2,000 naira. 1,000 going. 2,000 naira going. Gone. Iwa ya baros. And mbari keji rembe. If your family keep quiet, nobody will marry you. So they need to announce you. They need to broadcast it. So expect more. Very soon, blind people will come. Deaf and dumb. Mando burushan. Mande tuke. All kinds of men. Just like your mother said, it's left for you to make a choice. But you see, one promise I'm making to you. You will never get married.
You are a liar. You lie. I will get married. Look at me. I'm beautiful. I have what it takes to get married. I'm demure, very beautiful and smart. I will get married. I will shock you. You are not my God. The God that created coconut, put water in it. The God that creates me will give me husband, a good and handsome, tall-looking man. I will marry. Let's bet it if you like. If you doubt me.
I have seen where the coconut water gather. At this thing happy, who will marry you now?
I will shock you.
Let's bet.
Let's bet. I will shock you. You will see my man. I will marry you, see my husband. You will celebrate with me. Look at you. I'm beautiful. There is nothing that God did not give to me. Everything that woman has, I have it times 10. Look at you. Shame on you.
What about character?
You get married. I have it. You get married. You will remain here serving me and my husband.
Or you think I'm serving you? If you are the only oracle in this whole world, I will serve nothing. I won't serve. I will serve my urine. Look at her. God gave you everything. You're a marital man. You are demon. You are demon. You are nothing but a demon, and that demon you will remain. In this house, I will stay here and watch. I will see who will take this liability into his family. If I have a son and he brought somebody like you home for marriage, I disown that person.
Don't worry, very soon, Ndishi. They will come. Stupid thing that doesn't have respect. You have everything. Oh yes, I know you are beautiful. But what about character? No man will go for beauty. Every reasonable and sensible man goes for the beauty from the heart. That is what matters. So work on your character. That's the only thing that will place you where you want to be. Not a shaggy banza. Hello, who are you?
Yeah. I'm here to Olo.
Moto.
No. I'm here
Tonto Dike.
Olo.
Tuberculosis.
Oh.
Tochukwu.
Oh. See your
Madman.
Olo.
My.
Oh.
Marine spirit.
Olo.
Maria is a wine.
No. Oh. Your
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Happy New Year. But your
neighbor.
No, your
Destiny helper.
no,
Your cushion.
your Adam's door.
Dog.
No. Hey, Madam's door.
The missionary account.
No, door. No, Olo. Door.
WM Abo.
No. How can I?
Dorati.
No. Door.
Dokasiagi.
Olo. Door. Otter.
Oh,
Yeah.
Madam's daughter.
Huh.
Hey. Would you give Madam Bobby no na ifento?
Oh.
You're welcome. You came to marry Madam. Oh.
Sure.
Onwe Igbo ka atụrụ aka.
Hey.
Pipiro, is this the man I was told is coming to marry me?
Yes.
Oh my God! You know, love is a beautiful thing. Oh, you know what? He's my spec.
I know.
This is the one kind of man I deal with, men of the person cannibals. I told you that I will find love. It's not like spaghetti like you. What is the name of the man that sang Men Day?
And you don't.
And he does!
Men Day. Now men they run.
And this is one who Izagumba. Oh my God! See my resting place. The big tummy. Oh baby, please turn around. Let me see your bum bum.
Nam kabagre ajen, bagre si manjana.
You know what? He's a comedian.
I know.
Tell me he's not a stammerer, right? I know you are joking, baby. Please come to mama.
Hey.
Geoffrey.
Olo. Hey. Oh.
Hold up.
Olo. Hold it. That's it. Me.
Dinta.
No. Hold it. D.
Diplomacy.
No. Olo. D.
Dinta.
Oh, olo. D. Mpa.
Wohu.
Ruby. Olo. Okay. Thank you.
Ngwane, you have heard from the horse's mouth. So, you know, say you two get hot temper. Hot temper wears hot temper. So your husband is here. Oh God, no. Oh, you are welcome. Soupe.
Stop that. No.
Okra soup.
Olo.
Hogan.
Sense.
Oh.
I cannot marry this
dwarf.
You are stupid.
You're mad.
Easy. Baby, take it easy. Easy. Sorry, baby. Oga, leave her alone. Beat her now. Oga, leave her and beat her. Oh, woman beater. Look at this one. Hey, easy on her. Is your husband gone? Oh my goodness.
You are very stupid. You are there and this idiot, this fat mango, he's fighting me. You cannot do anything.
What do you expect me to do? Fight him? A man that came to marry you? Your mother gave birth to any. When you see a man like that, in fact, you don't even have a choice. Why are you even selecting man? Why are you selecting a man? Why are you being so selective? In fact, any mad person that enters this compound, you're supposed to jump on that person and thank him. I told you nobody will marry you. You will end up in this family. You will end up here. Menopause will jam you here. Every pause in this life, you will carry it. Come on, marry. We should. What can get inside and let me see.
Am I the one you are talking to like this? Oh my God.
Look, Buba. Am I the one you're talking to like this? Mommy! Shakalaka banga chama ngoro. Afọ baba kwaga. Ifra baba nwoke bu locomotive engine na gari. Nwoke onye ha starting. Hey! Na m so ke go front takere gi dogbo. Na small thing it remain you go become deaf and dumb because the way where you dey hit ground even the place come dey shake reach here. Hashibokwa. E be like say the day where they create this one. People where they share tongue. They will Anthony Rote Rajo Enire. When this one married this one, baby ne fe kopala. Dear na me had starting. Tineke pokona bo shock. Come and marry, let me see you. Idiot. Negujige me baza. Go in.
Today is going to be wonderful. What am I get better on there? He will know that I am chief Okotoke.
Hey, Chief Oki. Chief Oki.
Jesus! Hey, Okurora one London.
Chief Oki.
Okurora one London. I can't make me hear this.
I want them all with Tony.
Hey, I remember.
I knew them keep your what to borrow and keep Bagawa.
Okurora one London.
Chief
My brother, Kaito Palaya, Hokaimo Angarema, let's calm down so we can born a reasonable children.
Oh,
yes.
All right.
Actually, Okurora. You know, when somebody visits UK, thank you.
Yeah, if you come to UK and you not come to Okurora,
the person have not visited the UK.
Where you visited is Eukeria's house.
I will share my print on your police and make it a
Eukeria. So,
Angelina Jale, why are they really
yeah. Chief Okotok, so what's happening now? The Tombo I asked for, is it your bringing? Are you coming to my house?
Okurora, please don't be offended. As now here Karubi Eroba. When you see something that is more greater than your farmland, you start selling the yam arranging place.
I know the adage.
What really happened is this. There is a place in our community here. They are doing bazaar. So I'm heading over to that place for one or two important
Which
things.
church is that?
Actually, it is not a church.
Chief, okay. There's a kind of smile I'm seeing in your face. What's happening? Okay, I can take the liquor now, the tombo now. Then I can let you go to the bazaar where you go.
Okurora, you know you are an important person
Yes.
in this our community. And this particular wine, I have mixed water on it, which I don't want you to drink this one. So this one, I'm going to use it to go and marry a wonderful baby.
But you know I have visitors today. I told you, I booked you that I have visitors today that need this palm wine. I've told them a lot about your palm wine. You know, without your palm wine in this community, no other palm wine.
May God bless you. What happened is this, I understand that maybe you might be angry with me about that. What I'm saying right now is about a girl, wonderful princess, that's being given out in bazaar for somebody to marry. And they are going to give you a lot of properties.
Wow.
Please, don't be angry with me. I need to start moving so I can get that particular gift.
So do you think they will agree?
Imo Comedy, take a look at me now.
Do you think they will agree?
Take a look at me. If not the wall, will I be moving down Gurugu? You know me now. I'm very handsome. One.
Chief, okay, I wish you good luck.
I will bring it to your house.
Anyway, I wish you good luck. There is no harm in trial.
Thank you very much.
Good luck, my brother.
But tomorrow I will not disappoint you.
No problem.
The peace of the Lord be with you.
You too. Good luck, bro.
All right. Hey.
Which kind baby be this oh? I be na mama, anything you do, she no like Oh, you tell me what you want. If you give her this, she go say na that. I be you want make person buy, you go one go south, she go say na not. Madam, make you calm down, no. Just like a mother figure. I be your mama, oh, mama, oh, mama. Just like a mother figure. I'll take care of you. Oh, a mother figure. Mama, oh, mama, oh, mama.
Small thing na him dey vex me. Very little thing they get me angry. Come and marry. Come and marry, let me see you. A child that says his mother will not sleep can never sleep. Hey, you didn't go children. Because I came to work in your father's house, you now use me to do toil. You have the guts to call me names. Come and marry, let me see you.
What a mansion in earth. Golden face. Ogono. Akarlo. Hey, my brother, how are you? Hey, my brother.
Who are you?
I'm Chief Okotoke no one of this town, and also the best palm wine tapper. I was told there is a bazaar going on in this compound, so I'm also here to participate on it.
A bazaar?
Oh yes.
You were told there was a bazaar.
Benny.
So, what is your business between the bazaar that was going on, like you said, and your visit? So, what's connection?
Okay, I understand you don't understand what I'm saying. Okay, there is an apple fruit in this family, so I'm here to uproot it.
There is apple fruit
in
this compound.
Oh yes.
And as a palm wine tapper, you have come to uproot and tap the apple fruit, like you said, isn't it? I don't know why sometimes poverty has caused a lot of people. It has given them so many mental issues. Oh yes, because from the look of things, you are not normal. You are already mad. There's this song that says, Ndiro muga toto konkom. This one now is not Ndiro. When you shina de hemaga toto konkom, because you are going to pick konkom in few days' time.
You know what? Let me pretend I didn't hear what you're saying. Let me tell you something. I hate where nonsense is making sense in the mindset of people that doesn't have sense. Okay? If you think you are the antelope to block me not to possess my possession, let me remind you that I'm the lion that will crush you. Don't stand on my way.
You know what? 6 feet is the only possession you are going to possess. If you don't get out with this your filthy jumper, this your stupid black morning clothes out of this.
Do you know who you're
place.
talking to?
Who are you?
Do you know who you're talking to?
Who are you?
I'm the best palm white tapper in this village, and you're talking to me with that manner.
Thank God you are not Obi Kubana. Thank God you are not Zinko of Anambra State. Thank God you are not Ife. Thank God you are not Ife Nozobolo. Thank God you are not all these people I've mentioned, because if I had mentioned any of them, I would start being afraid. I will start shivering. But for the fact you are not any of these people, you are just a palm wine tapper who goes around with your filthy and the poverty stinking gallon of palm wine looking for someone's daughter. So as you are now, you are at your age, you never marry. You are still carrying palm wine around. You want to come and reap where you did not sow. Thank God you say it was. The bazaar is over, so leave.
Angelina Aja, if you think you are the one to block me, get out of my way. Go and bring the family I'm here to see. Tell them that I'm here to see them. If you're going to block me, I will crush you.
So what will I tell them you are? Who? How do I describe you to them?
If you cannot go, let me go by myself. Don't block me. I will deal with you if you block me.
You don't dance.
Don't block me. Don't block me. I will deal with you if you block me. Get out of my way. Hey. You can't do anything. I must tell you that this place belongs to me. There's nothing you can do. This house is my house.
crying,
Forgive me.
crying, baby.
It's okay. Why you forgive me? Are you the God that created me? Is it because I'm like this? Because have I done to deserve all this mockery and insult? What have I done? You that are supposed to be nice to me, you are making things worse for me. God, why? I'm tired of living this life. For one day, you have never been nice to me. For one day, I don't know what I've done to you. God, please, I'm not broken, please. Heal me. I'm not broken.
Alright? Can you listen to me? Are you ready to listen to me now? Yeah, stop crying, okay? I am not mocking you. All I'm doing is to bring out the better part of you. You know? I want you to stop seeing yourself as this. Your appearance, your physique is not whom you are. God created you in his own likeness and image. In fact, you are an image of God. You are the most tallest, beautiful, and kind person I have ever seen. But if you see yourself the way people describe you, it will make you cry all the time. This is not you, okay? Stop crying. See, you're not beautiful if you're crying. Can't you? Have you seen yourself in the mirror smiling? Whenever you smile, that is whom God has made you to become. And that is what I want you to represent. That is what I want you to keep seeing yourself to be. But this look doesn't fit you. See, everybody loves you. And I want you to give room for love. Forget about the distractions from the pit of hell. Forget about how people describe you, what they say you look like. The earlier you start seeing yourself out of this look, the better for you. Your man will come. God has prepared somebody special for you. Crying will not solve it.
Liar! You are lying. You are just saying all this to make me look good, but inside of you are mocking me. I know you. I know who you are very well.
I am sorry. I'm really very sorry. I know I've wronged you all this while. But it was not intentional. I am really very sorry. Who am I to insult God's creation? The only thing different between you and I is that I am a bit taller and you are average. That is it. We all have the same thing. What do you have that I don't have? Or what do I have that you don't have? I am really, really sorry. If I have wronged you, if I have used any wrong words to you, please, from the depth of my heart, I am very sorry. Please, baby, can you forgive me? Forgive me. I'm sorry.
Yeah, God. God, please come and take my life.
I don't mean to hurt you. Sorry, everything I have said in the past. I was only saying them to get the better part of you. I didn't mean them. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Baby, why are you like this? You've been here for some time now. Is anything the matter?
I'm not just feeling fine. I don't know what is wrong with me.
Oh really? Don't you think it's maybe because you don't have playmates?
Not that.
Oh, come on. I am sure that's the cost. Don't you think you need somebody that will be tutoring you? The person will tutor you, you will tutor the person. By so doing, I mean, you will come out of this mood.
Please stop. I'm not in the mood.
Come on. Okay, I can put you in the mood. Come to my room.
Please stop.
I want to put you in the mood.
Stop.
Baby. Baby.
Yes. My goodness.
Oh
my God.
No. Bende.
Oh my goodness. Look at my baby. So full of life.
Surprise, right?
Yeah, so surprised. You know, I don't know baby will come out of her heartbreak this soon. So strong.
Well, you can call that the magician. You know, Pipiro is the magician.
Wow.
His magic worked.
I can see people at work.
Exactly.
Wow. I know. I've always known that there's something special about them. I couldn't understand it, but I have confidence. It wasn't bad. I just want my baby to be loved.
Yeah.
And I want her to love, to be happy. That's what matters to me right now. To have a home. Never mind. I'm just being hopeful, you know.
Makan
Oh my goodness.
Oh God.
I'm just being hopeful. Yeah.
Yeah. And I pray and hope this lasts forever.
It will.
Yeah.
Let's just pray.
Exactly.
She's so strong, like her mother.
That's what we want, right?
Yeah, of course, that's what we want.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness.
You I'm so happy. You're making me feel like a baby. Tatori. Hey, there's something I want to do to you now. You will like it. Okay. I'll give you a special treat. When I was doing Nanny in somebody's house close to Gabon, I did it, and that baby's, that woman's child, she loved me so much. I would do it to you, and you would love and love and love and love. Yes, brother. Surprise!
What is this?
like a baby now. Yeah. Small. You got it. Boom.
Turn me around.
I'm trying to. No, your weight is too much. Hey.
I'm enjoying it.
I know.
Use it as well.
Run, okay. It will spoil. Baby. Motoka. Little nursery motoka. When you want to go to school, please come and carry me. Beep. Pop. Little nursery motoka. Little nursery motoka. If you want to go to school, please come and carry me. Beep, pop. Little nursery motoka. Boom. Oh, your friends are here. Oh my God.
Yes.
You are welcome.
Chichi, you're welcome.
How are you doing?
Oh my gosh. Jesus. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Can somebody explain to me what is happening?
Oh, yes. I think I'm here to explain what is going on. What is going on here is that both of us are getting along. I'm trying to do my job as a nanny to make sure baby here is happy. She's feeling like a baby. In fact, just to make sure that everything is okay.
Yeah, friends, trust me. I think Pipiro is a good man. Just look on the good side of somebody and you see the goodness.
You see, like she said, most times people of this era, they always hold or grab or look on the bad side of people without even thinking or giving that person even 1 minute a pass mark. Somebody will do something of 100%. And when that person make little, just small chickadee mistake, the whole world will capitalize on that mistake. They want to kill that person. They want to pull that person down. Go to social media today. That is what we are seeing. Yes. But in this case, she have overlooked my bad side, those little things. I was not even doing it because I'm wicked. I was only doing it just to get the best side of her and for her to also get the best side of me.
But, Pipiro, I thought you hated people of our kind.
Am I mad? How can I do a thing like that when I am from the same family? Oh, you don't even know about my grandmother. My grandmother is as small as Mbeku. Woo! My grandmother bought on Alakambe. If you see her, if you want to talk to her grandmother, and like this, we they look down to talk to her because she's here. So it was only on our own genotype. The blood did not extend to my own family. It ends there. And I'm sure that's the end. It is in all of us. So don't go there. I was doing all those things just to know how you people will react when you are angry, to see your beauty, to see your negative part. By the time I'm done learning, and today you can see all of us are happy.
I can see that. Wow, this calls for celebration.
Oh, yeah. You can say that again. Not even in my family. We don't just have a short gene from my grandmother. Even in my family, we smell. Yeah, smelling is part of us. Coughing all the time. When we talk, spit and now washing. If my grandfather then talk, you saga. You go be like say father they pour holy water for you. Or other name will is Babu. Everybody gonna do like this. So everything is in my family. But then now we are good. In this life, learn to celebrate people. Yeah. Good side of them. So you can see, now that you are here, I want you guys to join me so that we can make baby happy. I don't want her to be feeling sad. I always want her to be happy. That's my job as a nanny.
Thank you. Okay. See what is going to happen. Yeah. I want to place amount on this dancing competition so that anybody that wins the dancing competition will go home with 100,000 naira.
Okay.
Stand up. What are you waiting for? Stand up, please.
I'm going to win. I'm taking this money.
Look at, you're taking which money? You, okay, 2 by 2. 2 of you, 2 of us. Agreed? Drop your bag.
Oh my God.
Not only about when you stay like this. Okay. You come, stay like this. You just stay like this. So now, if I sing, follow me. Otu nwoke bịakwutere Jizọs na Galili, gịnị ka nkebe ka nweketa n'eze Chineke, onye nwanyị gwara ya si ụmụ adịghị dị n'anya, n'ime otu anyị ị ga-eketa n'eze. Baby, oya go. See, I am happy you are out of your bad mood. I'm happy that you are coming up. I'm happy. Everything is happening the way God wanted.
Well, Pipiro, I think you're not a bad person.
Thank you for the credit. You see, in life, nobody is bad. Everybody is good, depending on how you approach them and the time you approach them. If I approach you when you are angry and I approach you wrongly, there's no way you can give me positive vibe. You must react because you are angry. So a lot of people today capitalize in the little fault of people. They hold it on, they grab it. Go to social media today and see what people are doing. It's really, really getting me upset whenever I see people that are supposed to be of a good example to the society. But you look at it. So the little thing I did here was to show you that I am not God. I'm not perfect. I can be angry. I can do this. And thank God today, all of that is in the past. But I'm happy. In fact, I am happy.
And I'm happier just because of you.
Same here, just because of you.
Thank you.
Thank you too. See, I have always played a father and a mother figure anywhere I go. And that is what I'm doing here. So I must make sure all those gaps your father left, I want to fill it with love, care, and before you know it, you won't feel it anymore.
Yeah. I think right now I'm exhausted. I'm so tired.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm feeling sleepy. Let me just take my shower and sleep.
Okay. Good night. Don't forget to wipe your makeup, okay?
I will.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Sweet dream.
Bye. Bye.
Good night. Sweet dream.
Bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Yes, baby. Good night. Good night. Good night. Tell your mommy I said good night. See you in the morning. Say me well to your mother. Good night. Good night, baby. Good night, baby. Good night. Good night, ma. I want to boil hot water for baby to take her shower. See you tomorrow.
Pipilo, that can wait. Please, can you sit down?
Ma?
Sit. I want to discuss something very important with you. Yeah.
Sit down.
Pipilo, I've noticed that two of you are getting along famously. And I've been meaning to ask, what is your intention?
Ma?
You heard me?
My intention.
I said, what is your intention towards my daughter?
Oh, that. As a matter of fact, there's my intention is that I am doing my job. I just want to see her happy. I want to restore the lost glory in her, the happiness that is lacking in her. I want to make sure she's back to her normal self. I just want to make sure she feel like every other human being out there, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Nothing attached to it.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you.
But I have to warn you. I don't play with my baby. The father left because he wanted to reap where he did not sow. And my baby suffered heartbreaks because the father left when I gave birth to her. Because she's little, because of her height. My husband have problem with people with little height. So that's why I'm asking, because I don't want anything to happen to my daughter again. I don't want her to pass through pains again. Humiliation, no way. I'm not giving any chance. That's why I'm asking you your intentions towards her.
I am so glad you are letting me know of all of this. I don't mean any harm. I mean, I don't harm people. I am a good person. I am a Christian, a practical Christian at that, because that's what matters. When you preach Christ, you practicalize it. I don't belong to the party of those who talk Christianity. I am of the party of those who act it. So heartbreak, disappointment, and all of that is not part of me. I want to assure you that my duty here as a nanny is to make sure your daughter is well taken. In fact, I am playing a role of a mother figure, a father figure, brother figure, uncle figure, all the figures. I just want to make sure she is happy. And at the end of the day, I will make you happy too and make you proud. That's my point, and nothing less than that, ma.
Okay? It's good you are trying to make her happy. I appreciate that. Okay, so whatever it is, I wish you good luck.
Same here, ma. Thank you very much. I will not disappoint you.
You're welcome.
Good night, ma.
And you too. So you can go get her the hot water.
Ma, what would you want to take in the morning?
Oh, I'm okay for now. Tomorrow morning we'll talk about that. Or maybe fruits.
Oh, fruits. Okay. All right. Ngwan. Dalu. I bought some water today. Maybe in the morning I'll wash it for you.
Yeah, you can go make her water for her.
Thank you.
Are you forgetting something? I think this guy is so hilarious.
So, it was a dream. is it possible we can get married? No. But pillow will not feel the same. No. Pillow may not feel the same.
What's going on? You've been here for a while now. You didn't even notice when I opened the door. What's bothering you?
I am having feelings for someone, but I don't know how to approach the person. I don't even know if she will say yes to whatever I have to say.
There is no big deal in that. All you need to do is meet the person. Just tell the person how you feel for her. Confess your love, your feelings for her. It's actually not a big deal.
It's easier said than done. My heart is telling me that she will turn me down. Yes.
Pipiro, you cannot be too sure. You need to try. If you don't try, you won't know. Just try your luck. Okay? Just try your luck.
Love is a beautiful thing.
Well, yeah, love is a beautiful thing if you experience a genuine love.
A genuine love.
Yes. And I strongly believe that your love is a genuine one.
Yes.
You know, you will know from your heart. So just good luck. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pipiro is in love.
You're here. I was about coming to see you.
Same here.
Really? Well, there is something I want us to talk about.
Same here. There's something I want us to discuss.
Really? Okay. I will start then. Okay. I don't know how to say it. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for making me happy. I mean, since we start getting along, I now see that you are very beautiful in and out. And everything we had in the past was a drama. This is the real us. I am feeling better and better and better by the day. I want to... I want to beg you for something. Please. I want you to marry me. I love you so much from the depths of my heart. I can't do without you. Please marry me. Without you, my life is incomplete. Please, don't say no to me. Yes, baby.
I don't believe you.
Why?
You just want to marry me out of pity. Who will marry me like this?
I will.
You are not sure of what you're saying.
Come on, baby. How can you say a thing like that? I am sure. I am, yes. Look straight into my eyes, you will see love. From the inside, I love you. Yes.
Are you sure you'll be proud of me?
Oh, yes, I will.
No. I know you. I need a man that will play fatherly role in my life, at the same time be my husband. A man that will love me for who I am and not what I have.
That's me. I am here to fill those gaps. Please. I don't want you to see me as a gold digger. My heart yearns for you. Please come. Come to me. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm here for you. I have come to stay, okay? I will love you till eternity. Nothing will separate us, okay? You are beautiful. Come on, it's okay. You're crying, it's hurting me. It's okay. Look at me. I am here for you, okay? I will love you till I die, okay? Thank you for accepting me.
Nami, oh, can't believe. Nami, can't believe.
Madam, who they look for?
I dey look for Pepero, my husband.
You say?
My husband, Pepero.
Pepero, your husband?
Yes, now. Then I said I can't believe, the lovely wife.
Pepero?
Eh.
Your husband?
Yeah, Pepero, my husband. Why you dey look me like that now? Now people don't get this better.
You sure say wetin they talk
you
about?
don't see am.
They come. Madam, you sure?
Yes, let me be the madam.
They come. No go anywhere.
No. I'll take the wait for you. Sounds fine well. Hi. If you don't have the way you give me, see house. Let me be the madam of this house. No, they get anywhere. Don't stay here.
Pepero.
What is it? Must you always shout my name? What do you want?
As in, I don't small when you go see me pass. You know they get what they call you since?
Okay, what do you want? I've answered you. Get it home.
Are you okay? okay. Why are you talking to my man like that?
Pepero, person they look for you outside it.
And who is that?
She say her name na Kambili.
Who is Kambili? And what is she doing here?
Ask her.
Kambili. How come? How?
I want to tell you, person they look for you for gates. Leave love, come see the person.
Baby, who is Kambili?
Baby. You know I love you.
Yeah.
You know, I love you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, come here. Come here. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. I love you. Woo. Sit down here. Go in. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Stay here so that you don't fall. Oh my God. This is your phone. You watch your cartoon. This is it. Imo toa. One more thing. I'm coming. My baby. My baby. So that you feel at home. All right, see you, okay? I'm coming.
Wait. Calm down. Return all this thing. Return everything. I'm not a toy. I'm not a cartoon. I'm a full-grown lady. Yeah, return this thing.
Baby.
You know I love you.
I do love you too. You mean I should?
Yes.
Oh my God. I wanted you to relax your legs. But since you don't want it, I gotta go now. You want me to return this too?
No problem.
Okay. Wow. Oh, I know. All right. I'm coming, okay?
Hey, no. Let's go together.
Are you sure you want to go with me?
Yeah. Are you writing anything for me?
No, am I crazy?
Then let's go. We are lovers. Anywhere you go, I'll be there, okay? Let's go.
Baby. What are you doing here? Come on, stop it. If you touch me, I will woz you. Who be P? BP wagon there. What are you doing here and who got you pregnant?
Baby, now you're picking be this, so it's a kick. Baby boy.
You're waiting.
Now you give me belly. Wait till they do like this now.
No, can you just repeat yourself? You're waiting.
Come
on, stop there. If you don't leave this house at this minute, you will regret ever knowing me. I remember you sending me out of your house, and I left you in peace. So where did you get this from? Or maybe one of your lies? Because I know you lie a lot.
Baby, you got me pregnant. You abandoned me inside the village. You are suffering me inside that village. And you are here enjoying this big mansion. For here, let me be the madam of this house. Don't tell anybody where they.
Please don't listen to her. This woman is bundle of lies. In fact, she is full of lies. Everything about her. Even I'm not even sure she's pregnant. She can do anything just to get a man. Onya, ihe no nuku na ato yota. Onya, odeji ihe no nge egwu. So please don't mind whatever she's telling you. Leave this place now.
See, Pipero, you're my husband. Now you give me this belly.
Who is your husband?
And I'll be the madam of this house, so I can just stay.
House?
Who be this one? Who they talk? You don't tell me say talk about Pikin Pipero. So you call here, can't deceive them?
Who is that of your mouth? Stop! You spoil things for me.
Now this small play me and you play for that. That's when I'm doing and playing that this kind of thing now. Pipero,
Come on, get out of this place. Out!
Sorry.
So if I allow you to touch me, wait, out! Come on, out! Leave this place. Leave this place now.
Don't touch me.
I go beat you. I no go mind say you carry belle. If I blow your uppercut, Ishinwaga got turn on first Adamawa. Move.
Ishinwaga. I'm gonna make Ishigi.
Ishi onye.
Ishigi.
Ishi atuna ibu na for. Ishi ashi. Ishi ogbo. Ishi ogboroko. Out. Come. Leave this place. Out. Oh, better they push me or they push her. Push her. Leave. Out. Out. Good to have you fast. Now take her head. Idiot. You carry wind. When she sang canvas, we are here. Pop walker. Idiot.
Pipiro. What? Babe, so you got a woman pregnant and abandoned her in the village to suffer?
Oh
my God,
baby.
You are so wicked.
Baby, so if someone tell you I will do a thing like this, you believe? Me that can hardly hurt a fly. A small child of yesterday. This woman you are seeing here is a trailer full of lies. She can lie with anything just to get what she wants. Onya, the guy that married her before, one guy, Olua boy. Now so they fight. They born one. After they don't born that Ifechuku.
Oh, keep your story to yourself. So you came to reap for where you did not sow. No. Look at what she said. My house. That she is the madam of this house.
No, mommy. Baby. Why would you believe this kind of a thing? I can't do such a thing.
You know what? Don't come close to me.
Huh?
Yeah, you are a thief. You are evil, Pipiro. You are evil. Don't come close to me. Wicked man.
B? How can you believe such a thing? B?
Punish you there.
B? Pipiro. So you carry woman give belle? Pipiro. I talk am, this Pipiro they come and see your thing they do Pipiro. Hi! Now I don't follow this small one. Make it Pipiro am. Well, maybe you go just run go where you don't know. Ha! Pipiro. You dey enjoy you. I talk am. This guy. Beep.
What am I hearing? That you got a woman pregnant?
I can't do a thing like that. You see, whatever that happened out there was mere allegation. People can do anything just to set someone up. Maybe because they have seen that I am about to...
Liar! You want me to believe that? That a woman just came out of nowhere and accused you of abandoning her child. Is that it?
My baby.
Baby, wait, Pagano.
You can just hear me out. You see, this era, anybody can do anything just to set someone up. It was a mere setup. Yes, it was a setup because I can't remember having anything to do with her. Whatever we had was in the past. Whatever she said is not true. I can never abandon anybody with a child. You can't believe me. I can't do that. Please.
Believe you?
I'm sorry, please.
It's obvious that you are here for my mother so well.
I can swear with whatever you want me to swear with. I did not do anything like that. I can't even do it. I can't even hurt a fly. I'm a small child. Why would I do a thing like that? I mean, why, when, how? I've been in this house. How can I do such things?
Open your mouth and call yourself a child. I can't do it anymore.
Please, you can't say no to me at this point. You are my life. You are everything.
I can't believe you anymore.
Oh no.
Oh, man, like this. I can't do this anymore. I'm tired. I can't do
Pepero. What's wrong? Why you dey cry now? Wetin happen? Who beat you? Pepero, follow me talk now. Wetin happen? Who beat you? Pepero. Wetin happen?
But I can't be the one to start my relationship with baby. Baby is no longer talking to me because she believed I impregnated Kambili and left her with the child. How can I have done something like that? How? I don't get that mind. I don't fit to her. She believed I did it.
See, Pepero, make I tell you something. You need to talk to her. Follow and talk. She go understand you. No day they cry.
I don't follow her talk. I have done everything humanly possible to make her believe I am innocent. But she no dey listen to me. She can't even listen. She can't even hear me out. She can't even hear me out.
People, they cry too much. See, this your cry now don't they touch me. See, what's now make you do now? See, go follow am, talk. Now, woman, nothing is not possible. Everything is possible. Follow and talk the way she go understand you. I mean, they tell you.
I have done everything I need to do. I know what it took me. I know what it took me before I could convince her to start loving me. And that witch carry herself come to scatter my relationship. Who will love me the way baby do? Who will love me the way baby do?
People, calm down. Calm down. This one I won't tell you now. Nobody will greet you. Eh? Nothing will no dey possible. Anything will no dey possible. See, make I tell you. It go dey possible. Just follow am talk. Call am. Enter room where she dey. Calm down. Follow am talk where. You go see say she go understand you. Try am.
She don't agree open door for me. My village people don't follow me come here. My village people don't follow me get me.
Why are you sitting down here? Oh my goodness. What is piercing your heart? My love, talk to me. What is it? Come on. Oh my goodness. Come on. You're a strong girl. What is it? Talk to me, my love. What happened?
Mom, is a girl named Kambili. She came here, she said Pipilo abandoned her and her unborn child.
How certain are you that that woman's ways are not laced with deceit?
How do you mean, Mom?
Okay. I dug deeper. I made some background checkings on Pipilo. Trust me, I found out a lot of things about him. You see that woman? She is carrying another man's seed in her womb. Yes.
But that is wickedness.
And that happens after Pipilo's departure. You see? She is lying. So, my darling, don't allow her words to destroy your happiness. Okay? Come on. Come on, be good. I'm your mother. I'm standing for you. Anytime, any moment, I am here. I heard both of you are having some fluctuation and I decided to make my findings. Okay?
Mom, are you sure about what you're saying?
Of course, I am. Will I deceive my own daughter? I will not do such thing.
But, Mom,
yes, darling.
What if people's love for me is just because of our wealth? I don't want to be left shattered and heartbroken, just the way that did to you.
My darling, look at me. People's love is a beacon of hope. A flame that burns bright and true. He cherishes you for who you are. Not because of your wealth or riches surrounding you. No. He loves you. And I believe he is your rock. He will be your rock, your shelter, your safe haven, my darling. Clean up. Okay? Now I want you to go and amend your cracked relationship. Okay? He awaits you. He loves you. His heart beats solemnly for you. Okay? Go and embrace it. Go, my darling. Go. Clean up. Come on. Go.
Thank you, Mom.
I love you. I love you too. I love you, my baby. Be strong for your mom, okay?
I am sorry. I am deeply sorry for hurting you. It was not my intention to do that. That woman came to destroy us. Oh yes. I am not that heartless to abandon a pregnant woman with her baby. Who does that? I just want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. No, what are you doing? You want to kneel down for me?
I'm the one who is supposed to be sorry. I should have believed you. I should have trusted you.
It doesn't really matter at this point.
I'm sorry for not believing in us.
No, please come.
Congratulations to you both. This is what I call love. Genuine love. Love has conquered this.
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for both of you. Oh my God. May your love continue to flourish.
Amen.
And may you always find your way back to each other.
Amen.
My prayer for you,
Amen.
my darling.
Thank you, man.
This calls for celebration.
Oh my baby.
Congratulations. Come here.
Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Pipiro, congrats.
Thank you. You made it happen.
Yeah, I know, right? I think it's time we fix the wedding day.
I know.
So soon.
As a wedding planner.
Yes, I want to be the wedding planner.
I know you can't wait to be the wedding planner.
Your problem now, 1 in a million. If you be school, person fi no graduate. Which kind baby be this oh? I be na mama, anything you do, she no like am. Oh yeah, tell me what you want. If you give her this, she go say na that. I be you want make person buy, go one go south. She go say na not. Madam, make you calm down, no. Just like a mother figure. I be your mama, oh, mama, oh, mama. Just like a mother figure. I'll take care of you. Oh, a mother figure. Mama, oh, mama, mama. Oh, mother figure. I'll take care of you. Just like a mother figure. I be your mama, oh, mama, oh, mama. Just like a mother figure. I'll take care of you. Oh, a mother figure.